Hello, 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 hello. Am I audible? Am I visible? Ada, come on. 5 minutes over. 5 minutes over, Ada. No. No. It's not over, okay? Within 5 minutes, I join. Hello, Takshin. Takshin, I'm not ignoring you. You are ignoring me. You are saying hello to Shiva. Hi, Fatima. Hello, Sarita. My account not working, Mamada. Sarita, what is your name, Ada? Good evening. Hepsiaka, where is Hepsiaka? I can see Hepsiaka. Atvika, yes, Atvika. Krish, Teju, yes, hello. Oh, yeah. Sarita is Hepsiaka only. Okay, Hepsiaka. Okay. Sarita is Hepsi, okay. Hello, 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 guys. Hello, Hepsiaka. Hello, guys. Hello, Pookies. So, we can start the session. So, before that, guys, I just want to inform one thing, okay? So, I know you all joined to our Telegram channels. So, we know, unfortunately, Re-NEET happened, okay? So, Re-NEET, we have Re-NEET. So, for that, we started one free crash course, okay? We are giving one free crash course. So, and அதுக்காக அதோட கிளாஸ் அப்டேட்ஸ்க்காக நோட்ஸுக்காக ஓகே யூ வில் சே ஆல் த டைம் மேம் எப்படி நோட் கிடைக்கும் ஸோ நோட்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு கிடைக்கணும்னா ஸோ ஜாயின் டு அவர் டெலிகிராம் சேனல் ஓகே ஜாயின் டு அவர் டெலிகிராம் சேனல் ஸோ டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் டெலிகிராம் சேனலோட லிங்க் இருக்கு and one more thing here you can see we are giving free crash course okay we are giving free online crash course so I will help you how to log in yeah here I think it is visible allada yeah here you can see the description box so description box la you can see join free Re-NEET crash course okay it's completely free da it's completely free so you can join now so how to join so click this link then you can see buy now option ma'am buy now ma'am free nu sollittu buy now option ellam varudhu so you can click buy now so it is guys is actually இது 5000 rupees ஓட ஒரு crash batch தான் okay so இதுக்கு முன்னாடி இது 5000 rupeesக்கு தான் இந்த crash batch போயிருக்கு but here we are giving free okay we know that because already NEET முடிஞ்சிருக்கு so எல்லாரும் என்ன obviously என்ன பண்ணும் NEET முடிஞ்சதும் எல்லாரும் என்ன பண்ணும் எல்லா பேப்பரும் எல்லா மெட்டீரியல்ஸும் த்ரோ பண்ணும்ல ஸோ டெஃபினெட்லி நான் அப்படி பண்ணியிருக்கேன் ஓகே ஸோ என்னோட எக்ஸாம் முடியும் போது அந்த புக் எல்லாமே அப்பப்போ காலி பண்ணும் ஸோ எஸ் வி ஆல் டூ தீஸ் திங்ஸ் இல்லடா ஸோ அதனால வி தாட் எஸ் உங்களோட புக் மிஸ் ஆகிருக்கும் இல்லைனா நீங்கள் இப்போ ஃப்ரீ மைண்டில் இருக்கும் ஸோ உங்களுக்கு டெஸ்ட் வேணும் ஓகே ஸோ ஹியர் வி ஆர் ப்ரொவைடிங் 45 ஃப்ரீ மாக் டெஸ்ட் ஓகே 45 ஃப்ரீ மாக் டெஸ்ட் உங்களுக்கு கிடைக்கும் ஸோ யூ கேன் கிளிக் பை நவ் ஸோ பை நவ் கொடுக்கும்போது யூ கேன் சி ஓகே so you can see our channel so you can join yeah we need crash course and so here உங்களுக்கு separate of physics biology chemistry ஓட class okay obviously ஏன்னா யூடியூப்ல ஜாயின் பண்ணும்போது டிஸ்ட்ராக்ஷன்ஸ் இருக்கும் ஓகே டிஸ்ட்ராக்ஷன்ஸ் இருக்கும் ஸோ உங்களுக்கு லைக் சம் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு டிஸ்ட்ராக்ஷன் அவ்வளோ பிடிக்காது ஓகே டெஃபினெட்லி அது இதுன்னு சொல்லிட்டு கமெண்ட் பாக்ஸில் ஒரு டிஃப்ரெண்டாக வரும் ஸோ அதுக்காக உங்களுக்கு வேணும்னா கெமிஸ்ட்ரி கிளாஸ் இங்கேருந்து பார்க்கலாம் அண்ட் யூ கேன் டூ த அசைன்மெண்ட்ஸ் ஓகே யூ கேன் டூ த அசைன்மெண்ட்ஸ் பண்ண முடியும் அண்ட் இஃப் யூ வாண்ட் இன்ஸ்டா சால்வ் ஓகே ஏஐயோட ஃபீச்சர்ஸ் இருக்கு ஸோ இது எல்லாமே ஃப்ரீயாக உங்களுக்கு யூட்டிலைஸ் பண்ணலாம் ஓகே இது எல்லாமே உங்களுக்கு ஃப்ரீயாக யூட்டிலைஸ் பண்ணலாம் ஸோ ஐ வில் கிவ் யூ 3 minutes இப்போவே போய் ஜாயின் பண்ணிக்கோங்க ஓகே மேம் டெல் மீ தக்ஷன் என்னடா மேம் எகெயின் அவாய்டிங் நோடா தக்ஷன் ஐ எம் நாட் சீயிங் சாட் நவ் தட் இஸ் த ரீசன் ஸோ ஐ வில் கிவ் யூ 3 minutes இப்போவே போய் ஜாயின் பண்ணிக்கோங்க and guys you can see our telegram channel also okay you can see our telegram channel yeah join personalized Telegram channel for Re-NEET 2026 exam. So Re-NEET kaga we are started one Telegram channel also. So from there you will get handwritten notes, okay, teachers oda handwritten notes kadikkum and mnemonics and exceptions, so adoda separate notes kadikkum. So ippove poi Telegram channel and same Telegram channel and ippove free crash course ku join பண்ணிக்கோங்க. quick I will give you 3 minutes. So எல்லாரும் join பண்ணிட்டு சொல்லுங்க, okay, chat box ல சொல்லுங்க. I am waiting. Takshin, Hepsi, Manu, Manju, join பண்ணியாச்சா? Yep, joined already. Thank God I kept my book. I'm telling me. Yes, Takshinada. Join பண்ணியாச்சா? I saw that editor. Wow, Takshina, அது சூப்பரா இருந்தது. Okay. நான் யாரு பண்ணதுன்னு எனக்கு actually தெரியல. So அது சூப்பரா இருந்தது. Join ma'am. Okay. Jahi, Takshin joined. Yes. Joined already. Okay da. No da, no, nothing will happen. Okay. Join. This file may. No, nothing. Yaar pannadada? Yes, Takshin did really great. So tell me. So ellarum join பண்ணியாச்சுன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். So பண்ணலனா இப்போவே பண்ணுங்க. Okay. So உங்களுக்கு ஃப்ரீயா 45 mock test. Okay. ஃப்ரீயா 45 mock test அங்க இருந்து கிடைக்கும். So 45 mock test. Okay. உங்களுக்கு இந்த 30 daysல 1 day per day at least you should do one full length mock test. Okay. That is very important. Okay. Per day you should do one full length mock test. So you will get 45 mock test there. So இப்போவே போய் click பண்ணி join பண்ணிக்கோங்க. It is very important. Okay. It's very important. I hope it's clear ada. Join da. Hema Akkad. Oh, Hema Akkad didada. Okay. Oh, that's really nice. Then appo Hema ku message பண்ணனும். So thank you so much guys. One doubt ma'am. Yes, tell me Shiva. Tell me Shiva, can you please say yeah, I will do one video for NRI quota. Okay da? NRI quota video I will put. Okay, no worries. Okay, NRI quota. I will take screenshot. Okay da? PDF is not opening. Why? No da, PDF will open. PDF will open. Okay. So guys, we are starting chemical bonding and molecular structure. Okay, chemical bonding and molecular structure chapter. So we know guys, chemical bonding and molecular structure chapter is actually very important. Okay, PDF is not opening. Okay, so in the chapter ரொம்ப important da, you can expect 3 to 4 questions from this chapter. Definite 3 to 4 question definite in the chapter la irundhu varum. So this chapter is very important. Okay, you can expect definitely 3 to minimum 3 question because this chapter avlo irukku padikkiradhukku, but adu padikkiradhukku actually romba simple da. Okay, adu padikkiradhukku actually romba simple. So this chapter is very important. Okay, so idhula important ana concept mattum we can cover. Okay, so I think you all are ready. So and 2026 almost 3 questions in the chapter la irundhu vandirukku. Okay, so in the chapter la irundhu 3 questions vandirukku. Okay, I think you all are ready. Then we can start. So guys, I'm just talking about first. Okay, we can start with Lewis structure. Guys, what is Lewis structure now? So we know that oru atomத்தை represent பண்றதுக்காக J.N. Lewis introduce பண்ண ஒரு simplest notification method. Okay, notation method தான் என்னடா Lewis structure. Okay, so yes, so simple notate பண்ற இல்லனா denote பண்ற. Okay, electrons outermost electrons மட்டும் donate பண்ற ஒரு like என்ன ஒரு notation method தான் என்ன Lewis symbol. Okay, so here you can see lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. So simple electrons either dot wise la illana star wise la okay என்ன represent பண்ணலாம். Okay, so here I will give you one atom. Okay, so it's simple hydrogen. So we know that hydrogen la 1 electron மட்டும் தான் இருக்கு. Okay, yes, hydrogen la 1 electron மட்டும் தான் இருக்கு. You can represent like this. Okay, so either So when you consider chlorine, we know that outermost shell contains 7 electron, okay. So here we are representing only outermost shell electrons, okay. Here we are representing only outermost shell electron. So how we will represent chlorine? So chlorine la 1, 2, 3, 4. It's look like electron, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay. So illana eppadi represent pannalana? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay. So this is actually Lewis symbol or Lewis structure, okay. So next is actually covalent bonding. What is covalent bonding? So there is mainly two type of bonding, okay. One is covalent bonding, another one is ionic bonding. So when you consider covalent, first we can discuss about ionic bonding, okay. So ionic bonding means ionic bond or ionic bonding means here you can see when you consider sodium, okay, sodium and chlorine. So what is the atomic number of sodium? What is the atomic number of sodium? It is 11. So electronic configuration is 281. So we know that one atom stable aganuna adoda outermost shell coordinate covalent bond, that I will explain in coordination bonding. So here just I will or simple I will tell you, okay. So anga enna nadakuduna inga actually sodium, when you consider ionic bond la one atom, okay. So for example sodium is giving complete one electron to chlorine to attain stability, okay. So eppadi stable agum? So when you consider sodium, சோடியத்தோட outermost shellல இப்போ எவ்வளவு எலக்ட்ரான் இருக்கு? 1 எலக்ட்ரான் தான் இருக்கு. So we know that outermostல 8 எலக்ட்ரான் இருந்தா ஒரு atom stable னு சொல்ல முடியும், okay. outermost shellல 8 electrons இருந்தா we can say that atom is a stable atom. So here இந்த 1 electron யாருக்காச்சு கொடுத்தா this sodium will become stable. Why? Because அந்த 1 electron அங்க இருந்து போயிருக்குல, இப்போ outermost shellல 8 electron தான் இருக்கு. So it is stable. So அதுதான் ionic bond. So இங்க பார்த்தா chlorine, when you consider chlorine ஓட electronic configuration is 2, 8 and 7, okay. 2, 8, 7. So இங்க chlorine, when you consider chlorine க்கு one more electron கிடைச்சிருக்குனா chlorine will become stable, okay. chlorine will become stable. One more electron கிடைச்சா chlorine என்ன 2, 8, 8 ஆகும்ல. So இங்க என்ன sodium 1 electron கொடுக்கிறதுக்கு ரெடியா இருக்கு and chlorine is ready to take that 1 electron. So இங்க இருந்து chlorine sodium 1 electronக்கு electron கொடுக்கும் and chlorine என்ன அந்த 1 electron accept பண்ணும், okay. That is actually ionic bond. So complete transfer of electron, okay. Definitely I will take late night class. இப்போ இந்த class போகட்டும், okay. Few days definitely we will give you late night class also, okay. No worries. So yes, இங்க இருந்து 1 electron யாருக்கு கொடுத்திருக்கு? chlorine க்கு கொடுத்திருக்கு. அப்போ sodium happy, chlorine happy, okay. Sodium stable, chlorine stable. I hope it's clear. This is actually ionic bond, okay. So in ionic bond one atom is giving, okay, one atom is giving complete electron, okay. Complete electron maybe 1 electron or 2 electron, okay. Complete electron கொடுக்குது and chlorine என்ன பண்ணுது? அந்த complete electron வாங்குது. Yes, வெறித்தனம் part 2. Yes, வெறித்தனம் 2.0. Yes sir, we will start, okay. So chlorine என்ன அந்த complete electron accept பண்ணும், okay. That is actually ionic compound, ionic bond, okay. But when you consider covalent bonding, covalent bonding means it's a mutual sharing, okay. It's a mutual sharing, okay. So when you consider N2, okay, N2 na ennada? So N2 la we know that nitrogen oda atomic number ennada? Tell me quickly. It is 7. So what is the electronic configuration? 2, 5. So when you consider nitrogen oda outermost shell la 5 electron da irukku. Is it stable? No, it is not stable because outermost shell contain only 5 electron. It need 3 more electron to become stable, okay. It need 3 more electron to become stable. So and the 3 electron yaru kodukum? So here nitrogen என்ன electrons share பண்ணும். Okay, nitrogen will share electrons. So here I am drawing this is nitrogen, this is another nitrogen. So nitrogen ஓட electrons. Okay, 1 2 Lewis structure மட்டும்தான் இங்க draw பண்றேன். So 1 2 3 5 and this is the electron of this nitrogen. 1 2 3 and 1 4 5. So எப்படி sharing இருக்கும்? So இப்படி sharing இருக்கும். Mutual sharing. Okay, so here you can see triple bond. Okay, here you can see triple bond. Okay, so this is mutual sharing. Okay, to attain stability attain பண்றதுக்காக. Hello Navya, good evening. So stability attain பண்றதுக்காக electrons mutually share பண்ணுது. அதுதான் covalent bond. Okay, அதுதான் covalent bond. I hope it's clear. So when you consider coordination bond, okay, coordination bond la, so electrons donate பண்ணும். Okay, complete donate பண்ணாது. Okay, complete donate பண்ணாது. electron கொடுக்கும், but mutual sharing la ஒரு atom electron கொடுக்கும், but அந்த ஆட்டத்தோடது தான் electron. Okay, complete sharing la என்ன complete electron donate பண்ணாது, என்ன just share பண்றதுக்காக. Okay, mutual sharing la just ஒரு bond இல்லனா stability form பண்றதுக்காக ஒரு ஆட்டத்துக்கு கொடுக்கும், but என்ன அது ஒரு temporary மட்டும்தான். ஓகே, ஸோ அது என்ன ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் என்னோட எலக்ட்ரான். ஓகே, என்னோட எலக்ட்ரான் தான், நான் எலக்ட்ரான் கொடுக்கும் பட் கம்ப்ளீட்டாக கொடுக்காது. ஓகே, பட் அங்கேருந்து ஷேர் பண்ண தேவையில்லை, எனக்கு ஆல்ரெடி நான் ஸ்டேபிள் தான். ஸோ பட் என்ன அன்ஸ்டேபிளாக இருக்கிறவங்களுக்கு ஜஸ்ட் கொஞ்சம் ஷேர் பண்ணுறதுக்கு என்னோட எலக்ட்ரான் கொடுக்கும், அவ்வளோதான். தட் இஸ் கோஆர்டினேஷன் பாண்ட். ஓகே, ஐ ஹோப் இட்ஸ் கிளியர். தென் we are moving to octet rule. Okay, so what is octet rule? Octet rule is very important. Okay, so when you consider octet rule na enna ஒரு atom stable ஆகணும்னா அதோட outermost shell ல 8 electrons இருக்கணும். Okay, so ஒரு atom stable ஆகணும்னா it should contain 8 electron in the outermost shell. Okay, that is actually octet rule. Okay, so here you can see limitation of octet rule. I know octet rule is clear. ஏதாச்சும் doubt இருக்காடா? Shiva, Manju, Kirtana, Shamita, limitation that. Yes sir. So அது limitation தானே. So hypo, I will tell you everything. Okay, perfecto ma'am. I hope it's clear. Sorry for the late ma'am. It's okay Shamita. Where is Hepsi? Where is Hepsi? So yes guys, we can start. So the first, so what is octet rule? Octet rule means atom stable agununa it should have 8 electron in the outermost shell. Okay, it should have 8 electron in the outermost shell, then the atom will become stable. That is actually octet rule. Okay, that is actually okay. Hema's taking rest. Okay, it's okay. So here we are discussing about limitation of octet rule. So the first limitation here you can see the incomplete octet of the central atom. Okay, incomplete octet of the central atom. First point. Okay, Hexiaka, where ada? Where is Hexiaka? So when you consider Li, okay, when you consider LiCl, okay, so what is the atomic number of lithium? Lithium is actually 3, hydrogen, helium, lithium. So outermost shell we know that 2 electrons are there. Okay, outermost shell 2 electrons are there. And when you consider chlorine, okay, so chlorine la outermost shell evlo electrons irukada? 7 electrons irukku. Okay, 7 electrons irukku. So mutually share பண்ணும்போது லித்தியத்துல இருந்து 1 electron என்ன actually single bond form ஆகும். Lithium will share 1 electron and chlorine also will share 1 electron. Okay, so 1 share பண்ணுது. அப்போ லித்தியத்துக்கு actually 1 2 and chlorine ஓட 1 electron. So total 3 electron தான் லித்தியத்துக்கு இருக்கு. So அப்பவும் lithium actually stable இல்ல. Okay, lithium is not actually stable. Okay, less than 8 electron தான் இருக்கு. So So that is actually the incomplete octet of central atom. Okay, so central atomthukku incomplete octet da irukku. So when you consider another molecule BeH2, okay, BeH2. So when you consider beryllium, okay, beryllium consider பண்ணும்போது hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium. So 4 electrons தான் இருக்கு. outermost shellல எவ்வளோ electrons இருக்குடா? 1 lithiumத்தோட berylliumத்தோட outermost shellல 1 2 electrons இருக்கு. And when you consider hydrogenோட shellல we know that 1 1. Okay, hydrogenக்கு 2 இருந்தா we know that hydrogen will become stable. Okay, 2 electrons kadachcha hydrogen will become stable. This is beryllium. berylliumthukku இப்போ 4 electrons தான் இருக்கு. Listen carefully. berylliumthukku actually எவ்வளோ electrons இருக்கு? 4 electrons தான் இருக்கு. Then also this beryllium is stable. Okay, so then also this beryllium is stable. Okay, so இந்த மாதிரி molecule, okay, இந்த மாதிரி molecule தான் என்ன ஒரு limitation. Okay, இது molecule. Okay, limitation நீங்க example படிச்சிருக்கணும். Okay, the incomplete octet of central atom LiCl, BeH2 and BCl3. Okay, BCl3. I hope it's clear. ஏதாச்சும் doubt இருக்கா? I hope it's clear. மேம்க்கு புரிய மாதிரி பேசு. என்னடா புரியல? Next limitation is formation of odd electron molecule. So when you consider NO or NO2, so central atom, okay, central atom inga nitrogen da. So central atom is actually stable. So central atom odd number of electrons irunda. Okay, ellame appadi illa, some molecules, okay, central atom odd number of electrons irunda, it will become stable. For example, NO, okay, so nitrogen dioxide irukku and NO irukku. So idu ellame enna odd number of electron ku example da. Okay, I hope it's clear. So this is the second limitation. Then we are moving to third limitation, formation of super octet molecule like PCl5 F6, okay, I7, okay, that IF7. Okay, so when you consider, yes, PCl5, okay, so phosphorus and chlorine, 1 chlorine, 2 3 4 5. Okay, so inga we know that, okay, phosphorus oda outermost shell la evlo electrons irukada? Taksin, so tell me, Fatima, guys இது என்னடா? So phosphorus oda outermost shell la evlo electrons irukku? Kirtana, yes, 5 electron. And Shiva, Takshin, tell me the answer. Yes, tension allada. So we know that phosphorus oda outermost shell la 5 electrons irukku. Okay, already phosphorus oda outermost shell la 5 electrons irukku. So here 5 chlorine is also, 1 chlorine is giving 1 electron to share with phosphorus. Okay, we know that 5 chlorine is there. Okay, PCl 5 la evlo chlorine irukku? 5 chlorine irukku. So 5 chlorine 5 electrons share பண்றதுக்கு phosphorus க்கு கொடுக்கறாங்க. So now total 10 electrons இருக்கு. Okay, phosphorus ஓட outermost shell ல 10 electrons are there. So then also this phosphorus PCl5 is a stable molecule. Okay, PCl5 is a stable molecule. So I hope it's clear. So idha expanded octet nu sollum. Okay, this is actually expanded octet. I hope it's clear. More than 8 electrons are present in phosphorus. PCl 5. Okay, PCl5 ல phosphorus ஓட outermost shell ல more than 5 electrons இருக்கு. So that means, sorry, more than 5 ல more than 8 electrons இருக்கு. Exactா சொன்னா 10 electrons are there. Then also that phosphorus is actually stable. Okay, then also that phosphorus is actually stable. I hope it's clear. Clear, ma'am. If you have any doubt, just ask me, okay? If you have any doubt, just ask me. Hari, it's okay. Yeah, you can join, Hari. Yes, clear. Then next is formation of compound of xenon. So we know that what is the speciality of xenon da? What is the speciality? Adiboli. But I don't feel that much adiboli feel da. I don't have that much adiboli feel. You're not listening class. I can understand, okay? So guys, what is the speciality of xenon? Yes, it is a noble gas. Very good. It is a noble gas. So noble gas, now we know that noble gas already stable irukku. Okay, noble gas already stable irukkum. Why? Because அதோட outermost shell ல 8 electrons are there. Okay, noble gas ஓட outermost shell ல 8 electrons இருக்கு. So 8 electrons இருக்கிறதுனால it already stable இருக்கும். But then also in the xenon it will make or it will form different compounds. Okay, for example, XeF2, XeF4, XeOF2 and XeOF4, etc. Okay, so இது வேறொரு limitation தான். I hope it's clear. சும்மா joking between. சும்மா joking. When you have re-NEET exam, when you have re-NEET exam, I took one. I took questions and that already we did. I marked. So tell me example of super octet molecule. Super octet molecule. Don't forget the date, okay? So how many days we have? To prepare? Come on, Takshan. How many days we have to prepare? 21. So how many days we have to prepare? I want to see Takshan. 34 days. Really, we have 34 days? We have 1 week. 32 days. Yes. Oh my god. Just a second, Dada. I think I took another slide. Okay. So next I will show you one question that I already did this question. Okay. The octet rule is not obeyed in. The octet rule is not obeyed in. Just a second. You can write the answer, okay? You can write the answer. Okay. Okay. So, yeah. So then we are moving to next concept, that is VSEPR theory. Guys, in the VSEPR theory la irundhe 2026 NEET exam la, okay, ungaloda first NEET exam la VSEPR theory la irundhe question vandirukku, and இந்த வாட்டியும் VSEPR la irundhe question வரதுக்கு chances ஜாஸ்தியா இருக்கு. Okay, so it is very important. Okay, VSEPR theory is very important. Maybe they will give you statement type of question. Okay, VSEPR theory base பண்ணிட்டு they will give you statement type of question. Illana, they will ask to draw the structure. Okay, they will ask to draw the structure, not draw. They will give you in a structure related ana questions. Me and Shiva are near to each other, ma'am. Oh really? Neighbors, I can see neighbors here. Okay, so guys, are you ready? So VSEPR theory and shape of the molecule. Okay, VSEPR theory, it's very important. Okay, so here is the first point. Valence shell. What is the full form of VSEPR theory? Valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. So here is the first point. It was developed earlier by, so in the scientist name avlo important illa. So yes, the geometry and shape of the molecule depends upon the number of electron pair, that means bond pair. Okay, number of electron pair, that is bond pair and lone pair. Okay, non-bonded electron and bonded electron in the valence shell of the central atom. So when you consider H2O, so H2O oda shape illana geometry depend பண்றது oxygen is actually the central atom. Okay, central atomோட outermost electron depend பண்ணிட்டு தான் ஒரு moleculeோட என்ன இருக்கும், ஒரு moleculeோட structure and geometry. Okay, structure and geometry என்ன, yes, lone pair, bond pair, yeah, I can see. Okay, this is very important point. Next point, the electron pairs surrounding the central atom repel one another as their orbitals or electron clouds are negatively charged. So we know that electron pair, obviously what will, electrons are there, alle? So the electron pair surrounded in the central atom repel each other. So we know that electrons are surrounded by the central atom. Okay, when you consider oxygen is the central atom. In the central atom surround பண்ணிட்டு electrons are there. So the charge of electron is actually negative. So when you consider the charge of electron, so negative means what will happen? Like charges will repel. Okay, like charges will repel. Same thing will happen here also. In a like charges in a repulsion நடக்கும். Okay, இங்க like charges, that means electrons பக்கத்துல வந்தா obviously what will happen? Repulsion. Okay, repulsion நடக்கும். So repulsion நடக்கும். Okay, அதுதான் second point. And next, in order to minimize the repulsion, so repulsion minimize பண்ணனும்னா என்ன பண்ணனும்? So maximum distance ல இருக்கணும். Okay, electrons என்ன, electron pairs maximum distance ல இருக்குதுன்னா, so we can reduce the, or we can minimize the repulsion. Okay, how we will minimize repulsion? By increasing distance. Okay, by increasing distance we can reduce the repulsion. Okay, and third point, so not third point, fourth point, a multiple bond is repeated as if it is a single electron pair, okay, multiple bond, how we will consider? We will consider as a single pair of electron, okay, multiple bond, we will consider as a single pair of electron, and the 2 or 3 electron pair of the multiple bond are treated as single super pair, okay. So, normally என்னடா multiple bonds like in a 2 or 3 pairs வரும்போது we will consider it as a single super pair, okay, we will consider as a single super pair, okay. Next point is repulsive interaction between two lone pair. Guys, what is lone pair and bond pair? When you consider H2O. So, we know that hydrogen contain one electron, one electron, and when you consider oxygen oda outermost shell la evlo electrons are there ada? 6 electrons are there, okay, 6 electrons are there. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, we know that. So, inge irukra one electron is bonded with hydrogen and this electron is also bonded with hydrogen. So, unbonded, how many unbonded electrons are there? Tell me how many unbonded electrons are there? So, here you can see unbonded, you can see 4 unbonded electrons, okay, unbonded electrons. So, you can see 4 unbonded electrons. Unbonded electron, you can see 4. So, here we are just saying instead of unbonded electron, we are using the word lone pair, okay, lone pair. We are using the word lone pair of electrons. So, we know that pair means it is 2, okay. So, something is in 2 means number 2 சொல்லும்போது we will say it is pair, okay. So, how many pairs are there? How many pairs are there? How many lone pairs are there, Ada? How many lone pairs are there? Four. 2 pairs. Yes, very good. 2 pairs. Okay. So here you can see 2 lone pairs are there. Okay. 2 lone pairs are there. So what is bond pairs? So I am writing bond pairs. Bond pairs. So bond pairs evlo irukku. So here you can see one bond pair, another bond pair. So bond pair is actually 2. I hope it's clear. So you can see 2 lone pair and 2 bond pair in H2O. Okay. So we are only considering central atom. Okay. VSEPR consider பண்ணும்போது we will only consider central atom. Okay. We will consider only central atom. I hope it's clear. Guys, do you have any doubt? Pareda. Takshan. Fatima, no doubts. Hepsi, Takshan, Jahi. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am means doubt irka illaya. Jahi saying no. Okay. So, clear. So, now already sollirukku lone pair irukku, bond pair irukku. Lone pair means unbonded electron pairs. Okay. What is bond pair means? Bonded electron pair. So, obviously in the bond pair ku lone pair ku repulsion irukku. Because everything is electron only. So, the charge is negative. So, negative means like charges means obviously it will repel. Okay. So, here you can see more repulsion enga irukunda lone pair la da more repulsion. Okay. Appo more repulsion inga repulsion kammi pannanuna enna pannu maximum distance la irukku. Okay. This is the main point. Okay. This is the base point. Okay. This is the base point. So, ஒரு ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் ட்ரா பண்ணும்போது இதுதான் உங்களோட மைண்ட்ல இருக்கணும். ஓகே. lone pair-ஓட repulsion is more. Okay. lone pair-ஓட repulsion is more. Then lone pair bond pair. then bond pair, okay? You can see more repulsion in lone pair. So when you consider this is lone pair, so lone pair all repulsion kammi pannanuna, what will happen? In a maximum distance la irukadum, okay? Maximum distance la irunda we can reduce the repulsion of lone pair. So you can see maximum repulsion in lone pair, then lone pair, then bond pair. I hope it's clear. Clear, Ada? Everyone quickly smash the like button. Everyone quickly smash the like button. Come on. Shamita? Yes. Takshin, done ma'am. Fatima, Hepsi. Yes. So our target is 100, okay? 100 likes. Liked ma'am. Okay. So next. So this is not necessary. And this geometry and shape, okay, this is very important. Geometry and shape, okay. So already na solli irukku VSEPR theory la, okay, VSEPR theory la ஒரு molecule oda geometry illana shape that depend on the central atomோட valence electron, okay. So central atomோட valence electron தான் geometry and shape depend பண்ணும், okay. So guys, what is geometry, what is size? What is geometry and what is size? Do you have any idea? What is geometry and what is size? Smashed. What is geometry and what is size? By heart panna vendada, by heart panna venda. Okay. Hari, don't by heart, okay. So by heart panna venda, concept mattum purinja podu. This is actually very easy concept, okay. And in the concept actually Lerin ma'am நாளைக்கு உங்களுக்கு class இருக்கு morning, okay. So Lerin ma'am actually கொஞ்சம் emergency like இப்போ ஒரு situationல இருக்கு அதனால, okay. So நாளைக்கு உங்களுக்கு class இருக்கு, okay. Murika, is it clear, Ada? So yes, tell me guys, what is geometry and what is size? Any idea? Any idea what is geometry and what is size? Geometry means structure, ma'am. Okay. So what is geometry and shape? That I will tell you, okay. So here I mentioned that lone pair is there, bond pair is there. So LP means lone pair and BP means bond pair, okay. Geometry means structure, ma'am. So that I will tell you, okay. So geometry means it's a predictor using lone pair and bond pair, okay. Bond pair and lone pair la irundhu varra structure da actually geometry, okay. That I will tell you again. And what is shape means we will consider only bond pair, okay. We will consider only bond pair, then you will get a structure, okay. So then you will get a structure that is actually what? Shape. That is actually shape, okay. So here bond pair mattum irundha, that is actually shape, and lone pair um bond pair um irukra structure dhaan geometry. I hope it's clear. Lerin ma'am's birthday mudinjachada 16th. Okay. So I hope it's clear. Lone pair plus bond pair, that is geometry. Bond pair only, that is shape, okay. I hope it's clear. Clear? Shanmati, Takshin, Fatima, Shiva, 16th அல்ல 17th. Sorry, not 16th, 17th. My birthday is over da. Perfect, ma'am. Okay. Then we are moving to very important topic, that is bond pair and lone pair. Okay. So guys, இது ப்ராப்பரா பார்க்கணும். இது ப்ராப்பரா பார்த்தா மட்டும்தான் உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். ஓகே, ஸோ இதுல இருந்து டெஃபினட்டா ஒரு 4 மார்க் கொஸ்டின். ஓகே, யூ கேன் கன்ஃபார்ம். ஓகே, டெஃபினட்டா ஒரு 4 மார்க் இந்த கான்செப்ட்ல இருந்து மட்டும் யூ கேன் லாக். ஓகே, இந்த கான்செப்ட்ல இருந்து யூ கேன் லாக் 4 மார்க் கொஸ்டின். இஸ் இட் கிளியர்? ஸோ நீங்க அப்போ ப்ராப்பரா கவனிக்கணும். ஓகே, ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஐ வில் டெல் யூ இபி. வாட் இஸ் இபி ஆர் steric number? Okay, EP nu sollala, illana we can say steric number. So I am writing EP means lone pair plus bond pair. Okay, bond number of lone pair plus bond pair da EP. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear, guys? So semmada. So EP is equal to lone pair plus bond pair. Okay, bond pair plus lone pair da EP. I hope it's clear. So we are starting. So main point da nama padikka porom. So ellarum proper கவனிச்சிருங்க. யாரும் கவனிக்கலனா நான் I will ask questions. Okay, so correct answer சொல்லனல அடிபொலி. Clear, ma'am? Okay, so first one is EP is 2. Okay, EP is 2 and bond pair. Okay, bond pair மட்டும்தா இருக்கு. இங்க bond pair மட்டும்தா இருக்கு. lone pair இல்ல. Okay, lone pair இல்ல. அப்போ shape-உம் geometry-யும் same தான். Okay, if no lone pair means, okay, if no lone pair means the shape and geometry is same. Okay, the shape and geometry is same if lone pair is equal to 0. Okay, if lone pair is 0, then shape and geometry is same only. Okay, I hope it's clear. So 2. Okay, EP 2 வரும்போது what is EP? Bond pair plus lone pair. Okay, electron pair nu சொல்லும். Okay, the full form of EP is actually electron pair. So I will write here. Electron pair. Okay, so electron pair. Okay, electron pair is equal to inga enna irukada, bond pair 2 da, lone pair 0. So what will be the shape and geometry? The shape and geometry is linear. Okay, the shape and geometry is linear. I hope it's clear. And second one, okay, EP is equal to 3. Okay, EP is equal to 3. Then bond pair is actually 3 and lone pair is actually 0. Okay, bond pair is actually 3 and lone pair is actually 0. The shape is actually trigonal planar and geometry is actually trigonal. Geometry and shape is actually trigonal planar. Why? Because there is no lone pair. Okay, why? Because there is no lone pair. I hope it's clear. Clear? And next one. So next one la eppadi irukku, lone pair. Bond pair is actually 2 and lone pair is actually 1. Okay, so 3 வரும்போது listen carefully, எப்பவும் EP 3 வரும்போது எப்பவும் geometry trigonal planar தான். Okay, so this is very important. EP 3 வரும்போது, okay, that means electron pair. So என்ன bond pairum lone pairum add பண்ணிட்டு if you are getting 3 means எப்பவும் geometry trigonal planar தான். I hope it's clear. Okay, எடா chat gptல இருந்தவங்க இங்கிலீஷ் என்ன கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணி மலையாளம் ஆக்குற மேம்னு சொல்றதுக்கு பதிலா அது chat gpt அம்மேன்னு சொல்லும். என்னடா secret? He don't know Malayalam, that I know. That is not proper Malayalam also. Okay, so here you can see 3 வந்தா EP3 வந்தா எப்பவுமே it is the geometry is trigonal planar. Here you can see shape மட்டும்தான் change ஆகும். Okay, shape மட்டும்தான் change ஆகும். So guys, I just want to ask a question. What is geometry and shape? So quick answer சொல்லுங்க. What is geometry and shape? Due to rain. Rain இருக்காடா நவ்யா பெங்களூர்ல? பார்க்கல. Geometry is geometry. எடா தக்ஷன். தக்ஷன். I'm not talking with Takshan. நவ்யா rain இருக்காடா? In my place, okay. Okay, nice. Jock. So what is geometry and yes, geometry means lone pair plus bond pair. Shape means only bond pair. Very good, Jahi. And Navya, again question, ma'am. So my question is, what is geometry? What is the difference between geometry and shape? What is the difference between geometry and shape? Raining heavily. I don't know. Hepsiaka, what is the answer? You're saying hi to Navya. So tell me the answer first. Then you can say hi to Navya. Okay. I'm not talking with you guys. So here you can see EP is equal to 4. What is EP? Lone pair, number of lone pair plus bond pair. Okay, lone pair, number of lone pair plus bond pair is actually EP. So if EP is equal to 4, okay, either you can say electron pair or we can say steric number. Okay, steric number. Okay, maybe they will give you steric number. So steric number means, if steric number is 4 means that is tetrahedral. Okay, steric number 4 varumbodhu, yes, Sadhana, yes, geometry, yes, correct. Okay, yes. If steric number is 4 means it is tetrahedral. Okay, it is tetrahedral. And here you can see in a bond pair is actually 4 and lone pair is equal to 0. Okay, lone pair 0 and bond pair and a 4. Appo enna shape and geometry is same only. So shape is also tetrahedral, geometry is also tetrahedral. Very good. Okay. Next is, here bond pair is actually 3 and lone pair is 1. Okay, so lone pair plus bond pair enna kadikidhu? 4 kadikidhu. So geometry is tetrahedral and shape is actually trigonal pyramidal. Okay, shape is actually trigonal pyramidal. Next point. Next, bond pair is also 2, lone pair is also 2. Then we know that geometry is no change. It is tetrahedral. And what is shape? Shape is actually bend shape. Okay, shape is actually bend shape. Okay, yes, very good, Fatima. Okay, Navya. Oh, your messages is okay. Maybe because of network issue. So rain எல்லாம் இருக்குல்ல அதனால இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். Bend shape. Yeah, Shiva. After a break, Shiva again rejoined. Okay. So here you can see electron pair is actually 5. Okay. So இதுல 4 set இருக்கு. Okay. You can see 4 set இருக்கு. So electron pair 5 means என்ன 5 bond pair and 0 lone pair. So it is trigonal bipyramidal. Shape and geometry is same. It is trigonal bipyramidal. Okay. Why Hepsi? You are not listening, class? Okay. So here you can see bond pair is 4 and lone pair is 1. Okay. That is seesaw shape. And bond pair is 3, lone pair is 2. it is T shape, bond pair is 2 and lone pair is 3. It is linear shape. Okay, it is linear shape. I hope it's clear. And next the bond pair, illana electron pair 6 vanda. Okay, electron pair enna 6. So here bond pair is 6 and lone pair is 0. Then the geometry and shape is actually octahedral. Okay. Yeah, you are missing biology classes. Don't worry. She will take classes from maybe 19th or 20th. Okay. So next you can see here bond pair is 5 and lone pair is 1. Okay, bond pair is 5 and lone pair is 1. So the shape is actually square pyramidal. Okay, in the geometry shape I will draw. Okay, and if 4 and 2, that means bond pair is 4 and lone pair is 2, means the shape is actually square planar. Okay, square planar. Next is actually 7 varumbodhu. Okay, so 7 means EP is 7. Okay, so EP is 7. So in a first bond pair is 7 and lone pair is 0. That is pentagonal bipyramidal, and shape and geometry is pentagonal bipyramidal. Okay, shape and geometry is pentagonal bipyramidal. And next is 6 bond pair and 1 lone pair. So the shape is distorted octahedral. Okay, the shape is distorted octahedral. So we can start. Okay, we can start from base. Okay, first type. So type 1. Okay, type 1, that is 2 bond pair and 0 lone pair. I hope you guys are ready. So type 1 da. So type 1 la 2 bond pair and 0 lone pair means, so here I am writing EP is equal to 2. Okay, EP is equal to 2. So idoda linear bond angle ennada, idoda bond angle enna, it is actually 120 degree. Okay, 120 degree da idoda bond angle. Okay, bond angle is actually 120. Just a second da. Yes. So the bond angle is 180, 120 I am saying, 180 degree, not 20 ada, 180 degree. Here you can see only bond pair. Okay, so I am writing bond pair is 2, lone pair is 0, and what is EP? EP is also 2. Okay, EP is also 2. Tell me what is the shape? Tell me the shape and geometry. What is the shape and geometry? What is the shape? What is the geometry? What is the shape? What is the geometry? Come on. It is linear. Shape and geometry is similar, only linear. Okay. So then we are moving to type 2. Okay, what is type 2? Type 2 means EP2. That means steric, not EP2, EP3. EP3. Okay, steric number is 3. Okay, steric number or electron pair is 3. Yes, linear, both shape and geometry. Very good. Linear only. Correct. So here you can see 3 bond pair and 0 lone pair. Okay, here you can see 3 bond pair, 0 lone pair. So I will draw the exact structure. Okay, I will draw the exact structure. So A is the central atom and B, it's look like a triangle. Okay, it's look like a triangle. So guys, what is the bond angle? What will be the bond angle? What will be the bond angle? The bond angle is actually 180 degree. Okay, the bond angle is actually 180 degree and 180 less. It's 120. I'm saying 180. So 180 is last. Okay. So 120 degree, 120 degree. And what is the shape and geometry? Shape and geometry. Tell me the shape and geometry. Bond pair is actually 3. Lone pair is actually 0. And EP is equal to 3. And geometry and shape. What is geometry and shape? Tell me what is geometry and shape? Trigonal, planar. Very good. Trigonal, planar. Because there is no lone pair, so the geometry and the shape is same only. Okay. The geometry and shape is similar, same. Why? Because there is no lone pair. So I hope the structure is clear. Then we are moving to next type. So it is also EP3 type. Okay, it is also EP3 type. So guys, so I will draw the structure. A is a central atom and here you can see bond pair is, so here I am writing bond pair is 2, lone pair is 1 and EP is equal to 3. Okay, EP is equal to 3. I hope it's clear. So you can see 2 bond pair and 1 lone pair, EP is equal to 3. So you can see BB and how we will represent lone pair? One balloon with 2 eyes. Okay, one balloon with 2 eyes. This is lone pair. Okay, this way we will represent lone pair. So I hope it's clear. The geometry and shape. So tell me the geometry and shape. Geometry and shape. Tell me the geometry and shape. Okay. So yes, guys. So இதோட shape already நம்ம சொல்லி இருக்கு. It is look like a bend மாதிரி இருக்குல்லடா. So இந்த மாதிரி தான் bend shape. Okay. So you can ignore. Okay. Shape first. If you are like shape இல்லனா geometry பார்க்கும்போது we know that geometry means we will consider bond pair and lone pair. Geometry means we will consider bond pair and lone pair. So it is actually bond pair and lone pair. So what is the geometry? What is the geometry? Geometry is actually trigonal planar. Trigonal planar. So it is actually trigonal planar. And what is the shape? So how we will check the shape? Just ignore this lone pair. Okay. So first you should ignore this lone pair. So ignore பண்ணும்போது okay இந்த lone pair ignore பண்ணும்போது ஒரு இப்படி இருக்குல்ல shape இப்படி தானே இருக்கு. So ஒரு bend shape மாதிரி இருக்குல்ல ஒரு bend shape. So that shape is actually bend shape. Okay, the shape is actually bend shape. Okay, I hope it's clear. This is bend shape. Okay, yes, I can see. Yes, Jahi correct. Trigonal, planar and shape is bend shape. Yes. Ayyo, what action? Ayyo, what happened? So then we are moving to next type 3. Okay, so here you can see bond pair. Okay, bond pair is 4 and lone pair is 0. That means there is no lone pair. So I am going to write here bond pair is actually 4, lone pair is actually 0. Then what is EP? You can write EP is equal to 4. Okay, EP is 4. Okay, what is EP? Bond pair plus lone pair. So what will be the structure, Ada? So A, this is the structure. B, 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 B. I hope it's clear. And the bond angle is actually, okay, the bond angle is actually 109 degree 28 minutes. Okay, 109 degree 28 minutes. Okay, I hope it's clear. I hope it's clear. Yes, Uttahima. Hi, Uttahima. I hope it's clear. Shamita. So tell me, Hema, how is your health? Yes, it is enough, Ada. It is more than enough. My health was again playing with me, ma'am. I am to hospital. You are on the way to hospital again. Yes, definitely, Ada. Just take rest and proper medication edukanu. Okay. So, yeah. Yes, I can understand. Okay. So, proper medication edukku. Okay. Ipo just concentrate your health. Okay. First, ipo unnoda health da important. Okay, da. Yes. Yes, we will pray for you. Definitely, Ada. So, yes. Here you can see bond pair 4, lone pair 0 and EP is equal to 4. So, tell me what is the geometry and shape? Tell me the geometry and shape. Geometry and shape. Tell me geometry and shape. Yes. God will take care. No worries. It is tetrahedral. Yes. Yes. Tetrahedral is the geometry and shape. If you want, I will show what is the exact shape of one. I want 2, 3. Yeah. So I will show you the shape. Yeah. See you soon. Take care, okay, da, Hema. So this is the actual structure. Okay, this is the actual structure. I think it's visible. This is the actual structure of tetrahedral. Okay, this is the structure of tetrahedral. Okay, da, we all will pray for you. No worries. Okay, chilla poi va. Oru prachaneyum illa. Adivoli. Okay. So you are so strong. Okay, Hema. You are actually very strong girl. With lots of love from VSEPR team. Okay. Yes. So next is actually 3 bond pair and 1 lone pair. Okay. 3 bond pair and 1 lone pair. Here also the EP is actually, guys, EP is 4. Okay. EP is 4. So what will be the shape? What will be the shape? Eppadi irukku shape? So yes. A okay. B lone pair. So what is the shape and geometry? Shape, okay, we know that it is actually the shape is actually tetrahedral only. So I am writing here, okay, I am writing geometry is tetrahedral. Geometry is tetrahedral. Okay, So geometry is actually tetrahedral. So what is the shape? What is the shape? So shape, geometry is tetrahedral and the shape is actually trigonal planar. Okay, trigonal planar. So I am writing shape is actually here. You can see shape. Okay, this is the shape. So I will write here. It is actually shape. Okay, so trigonal planar. I hope it's clear. I hope it's clear. No Hema, nothing. Okay, so this is the shape and next is actually 2 bond pair and 2 lone pair. Okay, 2 bond pair and 2 lone pair. So what will be the shape? So here A and okay, this is the shape. So here if you are ignoring this lone pair means, okay, if you are ignoring this lone pair means what will be the shape? What will be the shape? Shape is actually bend shape. Okay, you can see bend shape. It is also bent shape. I hope it's clear. It is also bent shape. Okay, it is also bent shape. Okay, clear. Okay, next fourth type. I can see one. Ma'am, 3 bond pair and 1 John pair. It's possible. Yes, sir, possible. But உங்களுக்கு படிக்கிறதுக்கு இல்ல, அது possible தான். Okay. 3 bond pair and 1 lone pair geometry is also possible. But அது உங்களுக்கு படிக்கிறதுக்கு இல்ல, அவ்வளவுதான். 3, 6, 7, 8. Okay, set. Okay. Yes. So everyone, next type 4. So what is type 4? So we know that EP is equal to 5. Okay, EP is equal to 5. So then what will be the structure? A, B, B, B. This is the structure. ஒரு triangle மாதிரி இருக்கும் and you can see 2 pyramids. Okay, you can see one triangle and 2 pyramid மாதிரியும் இருக்கும். Okay, in the triangle is in one plane. Okay, you can see that triangle in one plane and 2 pyramid மாதிரியும் இருக்கும். Okay, so guys, what is the bond angle? What is the bond angle? We know this bond angle அல்ல. So what is the bond angle? So here it is 120 degree. Okay, it is, this bond is actually 120. Triangle order bond is actually 120 degree and here another bond irukku, அது actually என்ன 90 degree. So here you can see 2 bond angles. Okay, you can see 2 bond angles here. 120 irukku, 90 irukku. Okay, coordination compound la அப்ப சொல்லலாம்டா, coordination compound எடுக்கும்போது அந்த டவுட் சொல்லலாம். Okay, yeah, here you can see 2 bonds. I hope it's clear. Then we can move to next type. Okay, so idu same EP5 type da. Okay, this is also EP5 type. Okay, it is also EP5 type da. So idila actually 4 bond pair and 1 lone pair irukku. Okay, 4 bond pair and 1 lone pair. So you can see a 4 bond pair and 1 lone pair. Okay, so and guys, it is a seesaw shape. Okay, it is a seesaw shape, 1 lone pair. So you can see this 1 lone pair here and B, 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 B. So guys, so இதுதான் என்னடா seesaw shape. You know what is seesaw? You know what is seesaw? Guys, நீங்க ஸ்பார்க்கில் எல்லாம் பார்க்க முடியும்ல seesaw. So அது அந்த ஷேப் தான் இதுக்கு இருக்கு. Okay, so the shape is actually seesaw shape. So tell me what is the geometry? Tell me what is the geometry of this molecule? Tell me the geometry of this molecule. Tell me the geometry of this molecule. Yeah, we will play in park. But now I can't. Now I can't. I have limitation, age limitation. Park age limitation is there. I can go and walk, but I can't play. Tetrahedral geometry. Tetrahedral geometry. Okay. So yes. So the geometry is actually tetrahedral. Okay. So 5 is actually 5 தானே 5டா 5 ஓட geometry என்னடா tetrahedral 5 தானே 5 ஓட geometry என்னடா 5 ஓட geometry என்ன 5 ஓட geometry என்னடா 5 ஓட geometry it's not bend shape எடா this is not bend shape 5 ஓட geometry என்ன trigonal bipyramidal okay you can see here okay ஒரு triangle இருக்கு ரெண்டு pyramid மாதிரியும் இருக்கு okay triangle இருக்கு மேலேயும் கீழேயும் ஒரு pyramid மாதிரி இருக்கு so that is trigonal bipyramidal what is bipyramidal bipyramidal means two pyramids are there okay அது relate பண்ணி அந்த name relate பண்ணி படிச்சா போதும் trigonal bipyramidal okay trigonal bipyramidal I hope it's clear then we are moving to next molecule that is same okay EP5 steric number is actually so here I am writing steric number is actually EP5 type so EP5 type la enna irukada so you can see A and 2 lone pairs okay 2 lone pairs are there and 3 bond pairs okay B B B if you are ignoring this lone pair means okay na ignore panna pore in the lone pair so ipo enna shape irukku ipo enna shape irukku oru T shape madri irukla so the shape is actually T shape okay what is shape is actually T shape so tell me what is the geometry ada what is the geometry for EP5 always geometry is same okay always geometry is same so I am writing what is geometry tell me the geometry come on da traumatizing ida this is actually very simple ada so chemistry organic எல்லாம் பாக்கும்போது ஓ என்ன simple and you can secure your 4 marks not 4 marks more than like 4 questions actually from this chapter இந்த chapter எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும் because இந்த chapterல இருந்து 4 marks I mean 4 questions வரும் okay and இந்த chapter actually ரொம்ப சிம்பிளும் தான் okay yes trigonal bipyramidal yes okay I hope it's clear trigonal bipyramidal you know handwriting is romba mosam okay and guys next we are moving to 2 bond pair 3 lone pair okay 3 lone pair and 2 bond pair so it is also EP5 type okay EP5 type it is also EP5 type so 2 bond pair 3 lone pair I hate physical chemistry this is not physical chemistry okay Dakshin this is not physical chemistry that you should understand first is this physical chemistry guys is this physical chemistry guys you don't know physical chemistry you don't know organic chemistry now you don't know inorganic chemistry also fire guys with energy yes energy draining it's very simple after this I will give you questions okay you will get energy you told him okay he love organic he hate physical chemistry okay and what about inorganic chemistry guys what about inorganic chemistry guys I know it's inorganic ma'am Dakshin you know it's inorganic seriously But I don't think so. Sadhana, yes. Fire, love, black love, inorganic is fine, ma'am. It's like bio. So, okay. Inorganic is like bio. So, it's okay. I like inorganic. Inorganic, okay, ma'am. Only okay, da. Inorganic, ellaru solli easy dhaan. Navya, why? Why okay? But inorganic easy allada. Inorganic is born in chemistry for average student like me. That's really nice, da. Nice punchline. Nice punchline. Less chapters are there. Yeah. Inorganic, we know that. Lots of, like, avanga actually 2024, like, inorganic chapters எல்லாமே delete பண்ணியாச்சு கொஞ்சம். Actually, easy chapters எல்லாம் 2024ல delete பண்ணியாச்சு. Biggest fan of bio. Oh, bio மட்டும் வச்சு உனக்கு நீட் கிடைக்காதுல்ல. அவ கெமிஸ்ட்ரியும் வேணும், physics okay, physics வேணும். Core ma'am, organic. Oh nice. எல்லாரும் organic ma'am. Organic முடியாது, அதுதான் சொல்லும். Now you guys are saying, now that's Takshan is saying organic is core. Nice actually. Fan of bio. Nice, so nice. எடா எல்லாரும் சொல்லுது என்னன்னு தெரியுமா மேம், பயோ தான் பிரச்சனைன்னு தான் சொல்லும். Now you guys are saying, like, not bio, like organic தான் பிரச்சனைன்னு சொல்லும். Now you guys are saying organic super. Inorganic, எடா inorganic பிரச்சனையா ஜென்னி? Oh my god, inorganic is so simple, like bio only. Sadhana, I love physics, chemistry. Nice. I don't like organic much. Okay. So, எடா லைக் என்ன ஆனாலும் நீங்க ஆர்கானிக் படிச்சே ஆகணும், இன்ஆர்கானிக் படிச்சே ஆகணும், பிசிக்கல் படிச்சே ஆகணும். we don't have other options அல்ல. if you want NEET, you should study organic, inorganic, physical, physics, biology, everything. Okay. Ayyo, I hate physics. We all, okay, I am also the part of hater gang of physics. Also done like organic. ஏடா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம்ல எனக்கும் ஆர்கானிக் பிடிக்காது. ஓகே, எனக்கும் ஆர்கானிக் பிடிக்காதுன்னு சொன்னால் எனக்கு பிடிக்காது ஆர்கானிக். பட் ஆர்கானிக் ப்ராப்பராக படித்த போது ஓகே, ஆர்கானிக் இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்காக இருக்கும். ஓகே, ஸோ அதுக்கப்புறம் எனக்கு இப்போ ஆர்கானிக் அண்ட் ஆர்கானிக் ஃபிசிக்கல் பார்க்கும்போது ஏதோ எனக்கு ஃபிசிக்கலை விட ஏதோ ஆர்கானிக் ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். எனக்கு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஃபிசிக்கல் தான் பிடிக்கும். ஓகே, கான்செப்ட் படித்தா போதும் அண்ட் கொஞ்சம் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் நியூமரிக்கல்ஸ் பண்ணால் போதும், அந்த ஃபீல்டில் தான் எனக்கு ஆக்சுவலி ஃபிசிக்கல் இருந்தது. ஓகே, ஸோ ஃபிசிக்கல் ரொம்ப சிம்பிளாக இருக்குன்னு ஒரு ஃபீல் இருந்தது எனக்கு. ஓகே, ஸோ நவ் ஐ எம் சேயிங் தட் ஆர்கானிக் இஸ் பெட்டர். அடா, ஆர்கானிக் இஸ் பெட்டர். இட்ஸ் ஃபார் பெட்டர் தேன் ஃபிசிக்கல். ஸோ actually I like physical chemistry maths. So if you like maths பிடிக்கிறவங்களுக்கு நார்மலி physical chemistry பிடிக்கும். ஓகே, ஸோ மேக்ஸ் பிடிக்கலன்னா ஆர்கானிக் கெமிஸ்ட்ரி. அதுதான் ரெண்டு வே, 2 ways. ஆர்கானிக் இஸ் பூக்கி. ஆர்கானிக் பூக்கியா? எஸ், ஆர்கானிக் இஸ் பூக்கி. லைக் பூக்கி ஸ்ட்ரக்சர்ஸ் எல்லாம் இருக்குல்ல, செட்டு. ஆர்கானிக் இஸ் ஃபார் பூக்கீஸ். யா, சிவா, ஆர் யூ பூக்கி? So guys, chill. Break முடிஞ்சாச்சு. Okay, break over. So we can start. Okay, Shiva, you check. Shiva, have you checked the message? என்னடா தக்ஷன் என்ன மெசேஜ் அனுப்பி இருக்கு? Pookie, we are Pookie. Yeah, you guys are, yes, you guys are Pookies only. 90s, 8 to 2K kids. Yes, 2K kids are Pookies only. Pookies, RIS. I know RIS. You know guys, what is RIS? I think Pookies, they know RIS. So guys, yeah, back to content, back to chemistry, back to our topic. Okay, so yeah, EP is equal to 5. Okay, mom, I hate chemistry. Oh, you hate chemistry? Really? Yeah, Pookies. Come on, guys. You don't know RIS? Oh my god. You really don't know what is RIS? Yeah. Okay. EP, that means steric. I too don't know. Really, guys? Guys, are you really 2K kids? What is this? I'm not going to say RIS. Okay, listen the class, then I will tell you. So EP is equal to, EP is actually 5. What is EP? Lone pair plus your RIS. Oh, energetic students. Okay, energy, high energy, adiboli. That is RIS. Okay. Pookie fans. I can see Pookie students. Yada EP inga EP is actually 5. Okay, EP is actually 5. So here I am writing in a EP 5 and here bond pair is actually 2 and lone pair is actually 3. So the structure is A, B. Okay. So if you are ignoring this lone pair, okay, if you are ignoring this lone pair, you will get a shape. What will be the shape, pada? So tell me what will be the shape. So tell me what is the shape. Shape sollada. What is the shape? Shape is a linear shape. Linear shape. So guys, I hope it's clear. Idile edachu doubt irukka? Linear shape oda bond angle namakku theriyumla. It is 180 degree. Okay, 180 degree. Yes. So next is type 5. Okay, type 5. I'm good. I'm Kimaya. Yes, guys. So quickly smash the like button. I want to see 50 likes now. I want to see 50 likes now. It's 36. I'm taking class. You're not liking the session. Yes, Gokul. After a long time, I'm seeing Gokul. Hello, Gokul. So here you can see type 5. Okay, guys, what is actually type 5? So type 5 is actually EP is equal to 6. Okay, EP is equal to 6. So adala first type da bond pair is actually 6 and lone pair is actually 0. Okay, lone pair is actually 0. So idoda shape enada 6 varumbodhu shape eppadi irukum? I will draw the shape A, B, 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 B and another B, B. Square madri irukum. Okay, square with 2 pyramid. Okay, so paranga one planeless square is there and 2 pyramids are also there. Okay, so here you can see what is the shape and geometry. Shape and geometry is same. Why? Because there is no lone pair. Okay, there is no lone pair. So here I am going to write shape, geometry. Okay, I will write geometry. So now what is the geometry? What is the geometry? That is octahedral. That is actually octahedral. Okay. Square pyramidal. No, it is actually octahedral. Okay, this is not square pyramidal. It is octahedral. Okay, I hope it's clear. This is octahedral. Okay, 6 means octa. So octahedral. Okay, I hope it's clear. Then we are moving to next type, that is 5 bond pair and 1 lone pair. Okay, here also EP is actually 6. So 5 bond pair and 1 lone pair. So 5 bond pair and 1 lone pair. Yeah. A 1, 2, 3, 4, BB one side la lone pair and this is B. So what is the shape? What is the shape? Tell me the shape, pada. What is the shape? Geometry, we know that it is octahedral. What is the shape? Shape is actually, this is square pyramidal. Okay, one square and pyramidal. Okay, square is there and one pyramid is also there. So it is square pyramidal. Square pyramidal. I hope it's clear. Square planar. No, pyramidal. Okay, not square planar. So here you can see pyramid is there. Okay, so square pyramidal. Okay, now we are clear, alle? Okay. Then next type, 4 bond pair and 2 lone pair. Okay, 4 bond pair and 2 lone pair. EP is equal to, here also EP is equal to 6. Okay, so 4 bond pair and 2 lone pair means the shape is actually 1, 2. This is the shape. Okay, so this is the shape. So now what is actually this is square planar. Okay, this is actually square planar. So I am writing shape is actually square planar. Square planar. Okay, in one plane you can see 4 molecules. Okay, not molecules, 4 atoms. Okay, you can see in one plane. Okay, and this is a square. Okay, then next is type 6, 7 bond pair. Okay, there is no lone pair. So first one is pentagonal bipyramidal. Okay, I will draw here. Yeah, pentagonal bipyramidal and distorted octahedral. So idoda shape and geometry. Okay, 7 bond pair da irukku, 0 lone pair da irukku. So it is pentagonal bipyramidal and 6 bond pair and 1 lone pair, distorted octahedral. So I hope it's clear. So I hope it's clear. So then I am going to give you questions. Okay, I am going to give you questions. For a second, I want to download questions. Okay. Clear. ஏதாச்சும் டவுட் இருக்கா? இங்க ஏதாச்சும் டவுட்? And yeah. Before that, I just want to add one more point. So next is, we know that number of EP. What is number of EP? So EP na electron pair. Okay. So V plus X plus or minus charge divided by 2. So from here you can confirm the structure also, not structure, hybridization. So that I will tell you again. After I will give you question first. Okay, come on, question பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Which of the following has a geometry different from others? Okay, geometry. Yes, come on. Catherine, all clear, ma'am. So everyone, quickly smash the like button. Quickly smash the like button. No, okay, no. So tell me what will be the answer. D only, ma'am. Okay, let me check. So which of the following is a geometry different from others? Okay, I am checking. So when you consider BF4 minus. So BF4 minus na ennada? First BF4 minus na enna? So we know that hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron. Okay, so outermost shell adoda B oda outermost shell electrons are there. 3 electrons are there. Again enna minus pannita. So there is no lone pair. So I am writing when you consider BF4 minus. So bond pair is equal to 4. There is no lone pair. Okay. Bond pair. I want to write bond pair. Bond pair is equal to 4. Okay. Next is actually SO4 2 minus. So SO4 2 minus means bond pair. How many bond pairs are there? Sulfur. Sulfur oda outermost shell electrons are there. Yes. 4 minus. Here also there is no lone pairs. Okay. There is no lone pair. So bond pairs are there. It is also 4. Next 4. Next PH4 plus phosphorus 5. 5 ல 1 electron போயிருக்கு plus னு சொல்லும்போது here also bond pair is actually 4. When you consider XeF4, when you consider XeF4 ல so outermost shell ல 8 electrons இருக்கு and lone pair is there. Yes, bond pair is actually 4 and lone pair is there. How many lone pairs are there? 2 lone pairs are there. So correct answer is 4. Correct answer is 4. I will join Zoom. Okay, I hope it's clear. Then we are ஏதாச்சும் டவுட் இருக்கா இந்த क्वेश्चनல ஏதாச்சும் டவுட் இருக்கா? ஜஹி சமிக்ஷா explain பண்ணனுமா again இல்லனா இது ஓகேவா? Network issue. No. Okay. Then I will give you another question. So here is the question. Already marked the answer. You can do this question. No doubt, ma'am. Okay, no doubt. Okay, so then you can write this answer. So yeah, I marked the answer, but yeah, I can understand it. So I can understand your feelings. So we can write, okay. So I will tell you in detail. In which of the following pair, 2 species are trigonal pyramidal. Okay, now what is trigonal pyramidal? Trigonal pyramidal nu சொல்லும்போது எவ்வளோ EP? What is EP in trigonal pyramidal? EP எவ்வளோடா? EP எவ்வளோ? EP எவ்வளோ? So what is the EP value in trigonal pyramidal? So I will ask questions. So you can write trigonal pyramidal EP value. Yeah, EP value. I'm asking EP value. Total electron pair. I'm asking total electron pair. Total electron pair. Yes, EP means electron pair. So EP means bond pair plus lone pair. Okay. 3 you are saying. Sure. Sure. One lone pair. I'm asking EP, not lone pair or bond pair. I'm asking EP. EP means bond pair plus lone pair. Yes. Trigonal, pyramidal. Explain the last question please. நான் அப்பவே கேட்டது இல்லடா. ஸோ இது எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணணுமா இல்லையான்னு. ஸோ இப்படி ஒரு கொஸ்டின் கிடைச்சா ஸோ I will explain, okay? No worries. இப்படி ஒரு கொஸ்டின் கிடைச்சா நீங்க என்ன பண்ணணும்? ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சென்ட்ரல் ஆட்டம் எதுன்னு செக் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆப்ஷன்ல BF4 minus. ஓகே, what is BF4 minus? Central atom is actually boron. Okay, so boronல ஸோ போரோன்ல அவுட்டர்மோஸ்ட் ஷெல்லில் எவ்வளோ எலக்ட்ரான்ஸ் இருக்கு? ஸோ போரோன்ல அவுட்டர்மோஸ்ட் ஷெல்லில் எவ்வளோ எலக்ட்ரான்ஸ் அதர்? அவுட்டர்மோஸ்ட் ஷெல்லில் எவ்வளோ எலக்ட்ரான்ஸ் இருக்கு? ஸோ குயிக்கா சொல்லடா, போரோன்ல ஹைட்ரஜன், ஹீலியம், லித்தியம், பெர்லியம், போரோன். ஸோ total outermost shell 4 electrons இருக்கு. Okay, so listen carefully. போரோனோட outermost shell 4 electrons இருக்கு. பட் இங்க நெகட்டிவ்னு போட்டிருக்குல்ல. so what is the meaning of negative? so அங்க இருந்து 1 electron இந்த போரோன் அக்செப்ட் பண்ணிருக்கு. ஓகே, வெளியே இருந்து 1 electron போரோன் அக்செப்ட் பண்ணிருக்கு. இப்போ போரோனோட outermost shell 4 electrons are there. Okay, so அந்த 4 electron என்ன? fluorine மேல இங்க 4 fluorine இருக்கு. ஓகே, அந்த 4 fluorine மேல bondல இருக்கு. ஓகே, அந்த 4 fluorine மேல bondல இருக்கு. here you can see 4 fluorine மேல 4 electrons தான் போரோனோட outermost shellல இருக்கு. அந்த 4 electrons என்ன? fluorine. 4 fluorine மேல bond pairல இருக்கு. so here you can see bond pair is equal to 4 and there is no lone pair because outermost shell 4 electrons தான் இருக்கு. that 4 electron is bonded with 4 fluorine. so there is no lone pair. Okay, there is no lone pair. Okay, I hope it's clear. Catherine, அப்போ இதுல என்ன இருக்கு? 4 bond pair and 0 lone pair. We can check next one. SO4 2 minus. So guys, சல்ஃபரோட அட்டோமிக் நம்பர் என்னடா? சல்ஃபரோட அட்டோமிக் நம்பர் என்ன? டெல் மீ கேத்தரின், டெல் மீ சல்ஃபரோட அட்டோமிக் நம்பர் என்னடா? சல்ஃபரோட அட்டோமிக் நம்பர் கேத்தரின்டா, கேத்தரின் போகா. கேத்தரின், are you there? Catherine, are you there? No. 16 plus. What is 16 plus? So, yes. So, sulfur means, we know that sulfur la outermost shell la 6. Outermost shell la total atomic number is actually 16. Outermost shell la evlo electrons are there? Outermost shell la evlo electron are? Okay, she is not there. Then, I think in the question clear illa. Appo next question pogatumada. I think she is playing. I think she is playing. Okay, so next question. So tell me idoda answer enna? It is JE means 2021 question. Hello, this is not this one. Okay, let's go. Yeah. Yes. Okay, so here you can see trigonal pyramidal. Okay, when you consider BrO3 minus. Okay, first option la irundhe start pannalamla. BrO3 minus. When you consider BrO3 minus means outermost shell la evlo electrons are there? So bro, 7 electrons are there. Okay, and BrO3 minus means 1 electron again accept பண்ணிருக்கு. Okay, இப்போ outermost shell la BrO3 minus la outermost shell la Br ஓட outermost shell la evlo electrons are there? Evlo electrons are there? So total 3 இப்போ இங்க இருந்து வந்திருக்கு Br ஓட outermost shell okay 8 electrons are there. Okay, I'm drawing 8 electrons are there. So 8 electrons la irundhu so 8 electrons irukku. So adula 3 electron is bonded with oxygen. Okay, 3 electron is bonded with oxygen. So bond pair is actually 3. And how many lone pairs are there, Ada? How many lone pairs are there? How many lone pairs are there? How many lone pairs are there? 7 plus 1, 8. Yes, 7 plus 1, 8. So, how many lone pairs are there? 4 lone pairs are there. Okay, 4, not 4, 2 lone pairs are there. So, oxygen மேல ஓகேடா ஆக்சிஜன் தானே ஆக்சிஜன்னு சொல்லும்போது ஆக்சிஜன் மேல 2 bond தான் இருக்கும் ஓகே so 2 bond தான் இருக்கும் so we know that I am just drawing Br so O and minus means this is the structure okay this is the structure okay so this is the Br okay so bond pair we know that bond pair is actually 3 and how many lone pairs are there 1 2 3 4 5 so 1 2 3 4 5 5 nu சொல்லும்போது so we know that lone pair is actually lone pair how many lone pairs are there ada 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 and we know that lone pair is actually how many lone pairs are there yes one lone pair is there so one lone pair is there so total 6 okay total 6 da EP is equal to 6 when you consider XeO3 okay XeO3 la we know that this is also double bond so double bond O here also double bond O so we know that how many yes so correct answer is yes so rendume same da trigonal pyramidal okay trigonal pyramidal and we will get one lone pair also here also one lone pair is there so the correct answer is option 1 okay correct answer is option 1 yes then I will give you another question yeah you can write the central atom in a certain molecule has 2 lone pair and 3 bond pairs the shape of the molecule could be so tell me if the central atom molecule 2 lone pair trigonal bipyramidal and yeah I got the answer yes the correct answer is T shaped okay so trigonal bipyramidal A and 1 2 3 4 5 so இதுதான் lone pair வரும் so you will get T shape okay correct answer is first one okay first one is the correct answer okay in ClF3 molecule the lone pair occupy equatorial position to minimize yes to minimize come on C3 so yeah to minimize lone pair repulsion and lone pair bond pair repulsion only bond pair repulsion only lone pair repulsion and lone pair bond pair repulsion yes yada correct answer is 3 okay correct answer is 3 ஏதாச்சும் doubt இருக்கா we know that the repulsion order is actually you can see bond pair lone pair then lone pair bond pair then bond pair, okay. So we know that when you consider ClF3, அங்க bond pairum lone pairum present தான், okay. அங்க lone pairum bond pairum present தான். So the correct answer will be 3. So next question. You can write the answer, okay. Break please. Okay, after this question I will give you break, okay da. A3, okay. Ma'am, 3 match the xenon compound on column 1 with structure column 2 and assign the correct code, okay. So when you consider Fe F4 means, so we know that 8 electrons are there, 8 lone pair, bond pair is actually 4 and lone pair is actually 4 2, okay. So bond pair 4, lone pair 2 means whatever will be the structure weight. So and XeF4 means XeF4 oda XeF6 alla XeF6. So bond pair is actually 6 and lone pair is actually 1, okay. 1. Next XeO3 சீக்கிரமா. ஸோ இது ரெண்டும் கிடைச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் எஸ் செக் பண்ணலாமா? So XeF4, so 3 bond pair, so 4 bond pair and 2 lone pair means what will be the correct answer? It is pyramidal. 5 வரும்போது like என்ன shape வரும்? 5 trigonal bipyramidal and lone pair ignore பண்ணும்போது அல்ல 6 அல்ல 6 வரும்போது octahedral and again 6ல 2 lone pairs பண்ணும்போது என்ன வரும்? Yes, and it is 6 not distorted shape, not distorted, square pyramidal 4 5 6, yes, square pyramidal 1, this is 4, okay. 1 4 A4 A square pyramidal, yes. A is actually square pyramidal, okay. A is actually square pyramidal, so we can eliminate this and this, okay. And third one is, okay, when you consider this one XeF6 consider பண்ணும்போது XeF6 ல we know that 6 bond pair and 1 lone pair தான் இருக்குல்ல, 6 7 8, yes. So it is actually pyramidal shape 6 6 7. It is distorted shape, okay. Distorted shape நம்ம already படிச்சிருக்குல்ல, distorted shape தான். So next one we should check, okay. XeF4 and XeO4, yes. So what will be the correct answer? Yes, XeO4 oda shape என்னடா? XeO4 oda shape என்ன? XeO4 4 plus 5 XE5 5னு சொல்லும்போது 5 trigger 1 2 3 4 5, okay. So oxygen and this is any lone pair, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Yes, bond pair is actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, bond pair is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, and lone pair is actually 1. Okay, so what will be the correct answer, Ada? Correct answer edu kadaikum? So you will get distorted. Yes. Yes, correct answer is actually option 4 is the correct answer. Option 4 is the correct answer. Yes. This is actually square pyramidal. Square pyramidal. C is 4. Square pyramidal. Yeah, correct answer is option square pyramidal. Yes, the correct answer is actually 3 தான் வரும். Okay, correct answer is 3. Yes, correct answer is actually 3. Okay, correct answer is 3. Okay, this is the structure and correct answer is 3. Okay, correct. Fog. Yeah. Okay. So guys, I will give you a break. So in the break நீங்க இந்த question பண்ணிக்கோங்க. You can do this question. So ஒரு what is time now? 6:14. Okay. 6:30. ഒരു 15 minutes break and okay. Okay da. முறுக்கு. You really want to know? Meeting snap. We can start. No voice. I was very hydrated. GM will come soon. Zaid. GM will come soon. Okay. We all are waiting for GM. Mostly in 3 days. Come on. 65 likes Aidcha. Ma'am, yes, Shiva. So tell me guys, what is the answer for this question? What is the answer for this question? Which of the following has shape different from others? We can check the... Hi Randeep. Hey Randeep. Randeep, subscribe our channel. Randeep, subscribe our channel. GM Nag. Grandmaster, not Grandmaster. Gopika ma'am. Mukesh, yes Mukesh. Guys, subscribe the channel and like the session, okay? Hi Randeep. Yes, how are you? Guys, this is a new student, Randeep. Randeep, where are you from? Randeep, where are you from? Apriya, Telangana. Yes, you can see lots of Telugu students here. Navya, are you Telugu student? Navya is Telugu, I think. Navya, you can see. Yeah. You guys are Pookie. I'm not Pookie. I'm 90s. So you guys are Pookie. Okay. So which of the following has a shape different from others? Okay. So when you consider PCl3. So when you consider PCl3, I want to change color. Yes, when you consider PCl3, so we know that phosphorus outermost shell contain 5 electron. So 5 electrons are there. So it's bonded. So we can write bond pair is actually 3. Okay, so phosphorus is connected or bonded with 3 chlorine. So bond pair is actually 3. And what is lone pair? Lone pair is actually 1. So here we can write NH3. Second one is NH3. So when you consider NH3, nitrogen is the outermost shell. I'll check. Nitrogen is the center atom and central atom, and nitrogen contain 5 electrons. Yes, obviously. Oh yeah. Nitrogen contain outermost 5 electrons, not phosphorus at all. Nitrogen. Yes. How many bond pairs are there? Nitrogen is connected with 3 hydrogens, so bond pair is actually 3. And how many lone pairs are there? Nitrogen is connected. Yeah. How many lone pairs are there? So we know that 5 electrons are there and 3 is connected with the hydrogen. Then 2 unbonded electrons are there. So yes, 1. So when you consider PH3, same here. So phosphorus contain 5 electron and outermost 5 electron. Bond pair is actually PH3 means it is bond pair is actually 3. Lone pair is actually 1. So yes, what will be the correct answer? Yes, BF3 maybe. So hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron. So total 5 electron and outermost shell contain 3 electron. Boron outermost shell contain 3 electron and bond pair is actually 3. There is no lone pair. Lone pair is 0. So correct answer is 4 only. Option 4 is the correct answer. I can't see answers. Navya Telugu. Yeah, Randeep. Yeah. I mean Hema, Navya, Hepsi. You guys are from... Hepsi is also... Hepsi knows Telugu. Yes. Then we are moving to VSEPR theory. Okay, VSEPR theory. Valence bond theory. Okay. not VSEPR theory, VBT theory, valence bond theory. Okay, VSEPR theory we finished. Okay, valence bond electron pair repulsion theory we finished. Now we are going to discuss about VSEPR theory is finished. So now we are going to next topic, that is valence bond theory. Okay, what is valence bond theory? So it is also called orbital concepts of bonding. Okay, so now we know that electron concept. Okay, so valence bond theory means here we are discussing about, or here it is dealing about orbital concept. Okay, orbital concept of bonding. Okay, so consider two hydrogen atom. Okay, hydrogen atom A and hydrogen atom B. Okay, approaching each other. So here you can see, I will show with a graph. Yeah, so here you can see hydrogen. So two hydrogen atoms are there. Okay, hydrogens are Deepika ma'am. Who is Deepika ma'am? Okay, so yes, so we know that hydrogen atoms, okay, hydrogen atoms are coming closer. Then what will happen? So we know that hydrogen contain electrons. Okay, so if electron means electron, obviously what will happen at a electron? Same charge. Okay, same charge means what will happen? Repulsion. Okay, you can see repulsion. So first you can see the electrons, that means the atoms are approaching. After a point, okay, the energy is more here. Okay, the energy is more here. After a point, this will make a bond. Okay, this hydrogen will make a bond. So hydrogen will make a bond means it will become more stable. Okay, less energy, more stability. Okay, less energy, more stability. So the energy is here, the energy is very less. Okay, here you can see this is hydrogen molecule. So if hydrogen molecule form means the energy is very less. So energy is less and stability is more. Okay, energy is less and stability is more. So the potential energy curve for the formation of H2 molecule as a function of internuclear distance of the hydrogen atom, the minimum in the curve response. So here you can see the minimum, the curve respond to the more stable state hydrogen. So more stable state at the hydrogen H2 molecule state is actually more stable state. Okay. Okay. So hydrogen, hydrogen form agudo, that state is actually, no, I am not Telugu. So more hydrogen state, I mean more stable state means hydrogen molecule forming state. At that point the energy is very less. Okay, at that point the potential energy is zero. Okay, it's very less. So energy is less means stability is more. Okay, energy is less means stability is more. So here you can see, I hope it's clear. Any doubt? And guys, this is actually very important. Okay, this is actually very important. So here the potential energy curve, same only, the potential energy curve for the formation of H2 molecule as the function of internuclear distance of the hydrogen atom. The minimum in the curve corresponding to the most stable hydrogen state. Okay, H2 molecule form agumbodhu the minimum energy you can see. Okay. Okay, so what you can see? You can see minimum energy. Okay, you can see minimum energy at which point? Molecule formation point or H2 formation point. Okay, and conversely, so here this value is very important. Okay, so NCERT la ஒரு பாயிண்ட் கொடுத்தா போல, that is very important. Okay, ஒரு டாட் போட்டா வேற இல்லைன்னா ஒரு full stop போட்டா போதும், that is very important. Okay, so here they mentioned the energy. Okay, so 435.8 kilojoule of energy is required to dissociate 1 mole of, this is very important, 1 mole of hydrogen molecule. Guys, this is very important. So 435.8 kilojoule of energy is required to dissociate. Dissociate means break பண்றதுக்காக. Okay, association இல்ல, dissociate. Dissociate 1 mole of H2 molecule. That means hydrogen molecules இருக்குல்ல. So we know that hydrogen molecule. So hydrogen molecule இருந்து hydrogen atom convert பண்ணனும்னா, hydrogen molecule hydrogen atom convert பண்ணனும்னா, we should give, okay, 435.8 kilojoule. Okay, we should give 435.8 kilojoule. Okay, ma'am. Okay, I hope it's clear. Yes, this energy value is very important. You want energy. You want energy. So I will give you packet energy to everyone. So you should give us energy. Okay, I want interactive class. So yes. So guys, tell me, how is your preparation going? How is your preparation going? How is your preparation going? How is your preparation going da? Super pogudhu ma'am, illana super pogala ma'am. So tell me, how is your preparation going? One interacting. Yeah, Navya is interacting. Yes. Fine, ma'am. Drink Red Bull. Red Bull. You are bad. What happened, Navya? Why bad? Mountain, no. So tell me, how is your preparation going? I want to see Shiva. Everyone. Srimukh. Yes, fine. Super pogudha. So yes, bad. Why Navya it is bad? Why? What happened? Nothing special. Re-NEET is a special thing, le. And then now you're saying nothing special. No focus, ma'am. After 10 days break, after 10 days break after NEET. Yes, da, but we should study. We don't have other option. Hi, ma'am. Sorry for late, ma'am. It's okay, Jahi. So tell me, how is your preparation going? Just relaxed after completing NEET 2026. But again, the stress starts. Like, 1 more month, alle. So 1 more month, proper we can plan. Okay. 1 more month we can plan properly. Okay. So definitely, in the 1 month, okay, I felt very happy after NEET. So all vanished. Yeah, எல்லாருக்கும் அந்த ஃபீல் தான் இருக்கு. ஓகே, சடனா நீட் முடிச்சிட்டேன், ஸோ கொஞ்சம் சில்லா இருக்கலாம். எல்லா ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸும் ஆக்சுவலி லைக் okay, you guys are actually 12th students. இங்க யாராச்சும் ரிப்பீட்டர்ஸ் இருக்கா? Navya is 12th student alle. Mukesh, are you a repeater or 12th student? I mean 12th student in the sense like now you just passed 12th alle. I felt very happy after. Yes, sir. Drop. Okay, Navya, you're a drop. Okay, Navya, drop. My sleep schedule is messed up, ma'am. Oh, he is. Oh my God. What happened to your sleep schedule? No, ma'am. Now only completed 12th. Okay, Mukesh completed 12th. Navya is a dropper, first dropper. Took break, ma'am. Okay. Okay, me dropper. Yes. So now here we know that. Okay, so like think நீங்க actually first dropper. Okay, third time droppers இருக்கு, fourth time droppers இருக்கு. ஸோ அவங்க ரொம்ப எஸ் கிடைக்கும்னு ஒரு ஃபீல்ல இருந்த போது இப்படி வந்திருக்கு. ஓகே, ஸோடா again one more thing, கொஸ்டின் பேப்பர் ரொம்ப டஃப் ஆகிறதுக்கு சான்சஸ் கம்மி தான் இருக்கு. பிகாஸ் இது என்டிஏவோட கம்ப்ளீட் ஃபால்ட்டு தான். ஓகே, என்டியோட ஃபால்ட்டு தான். ஸோ கம்ப்ளீட் ஃபால்ட்டும் என்டியோடது தான். ஸோ அவங்க ஆக்சுவலி மேபி ஓகே உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப கொஸ்டின் ரொம்ப டஃப் ஆகிறதுக்கு சான்சஸ் கம்மி தான் இருக்குது. ஸோ நீங்கள் ப்ராப்பராக படித்த இந்த 1 month ப்ராப்பராக பிளான் பண்ணால் யூ கேன் கிராக் NEET 2026. ஓகே, யூ கேன் கிராக் Re-NEET 2026. ஸோ நீங்கள் ப்ராப்பராக படிக்கணும். ஓகே, ஸோ நீங்கள் ப்ராப்பராக படித்தா டெஃபினெட்லியடா. எஸ் மேம், பாப்பா. யா, 12th grade student, now finished 12th. Okay, completed 6th. Ma'am, yes. So எனக்கு தெரியும் இந்த ஃபேஸ் கொஞ்சம் டிஃபிகல்ட்டாக இருக்கும்னு. பட் நீங்கள் இங்கே லைக் இப்படி யோசிச்சு பாருங்க, ஓகே உங்களுக்கு ஃப்ரீயா என்டிஏ ஒரு மாக் டெஸ்ட் கண்டக்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கு. ஓகே ஃப்ரீயா கம்ப்ளீட். ஸோ நவ் யூ நோ. ஓகே எஸ் இப்போ டீச்சர் வரும். ஸோ இவ்வளோ டைம் சைன் பண்ணுறதுக்கு இவ்வளோ டைம் போதும். ஓகே ஸோ நவ் யூ நோ த கம்ப்ளீட் ஐடியா. ஓகே ப்ராப்பராக எஸ் இந்த பேப்பரில் சைன் பண்ணணும், இப்படி சைன் பண்ணணும், இந்த மாதிரி ட்ரெஸ் இடணும். ஸோ இந்த பேப்பர்ஸ் எல்லாம் என்ன இந்த ஹால் டிக்கெட் அண்ட் எவ்ரி திங். ஓகே ஸோ இது எல்லாமே கொண்டு போகணும். ஸோ நவ் யூ நோ த ப்ராப்பர் ஐடியா. ஓகே உங்களுக்கு ப்ராப்பர் ஸ்டெப்ஸ் தெரியும். ஓகே ஸோ எப்படி எக்ஸாம் எழுதணும், எப்படி போகணும், பேனிக் ஆக வேண்டாம். ஸோ பிகாஸ் யூ ஆல்ரெடி ராட் ஒன் எக்ஸாம் இல்லை. ஸோ ப்ராப்பர் என்டியோட ஓகே என்டிஏ உங்களுக்காக ஒரு மாக் டெஸ்டே கண்டக்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கு ஆல் இண்டியா லெவலில். ஸோ ஸோ உங்களுக்கு ஆல்ரெடி நீங்கள் என்ன you climb the mountain. Okay now you know the path. Okay so உங்களுக்கு அந்த path இப்போ ப்ராப்பரா தெரியும். ஸோ அந்த path உங்களுக்கு தெரியும்ல. லைக் எல்லாரும் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எழுதும்போது எல்லாருக்கும் பேனிக் ஆகும். ஸோ இனிப்போ பேனிக் வேண்டாம். எஸ் தே ஸ்பெண்ட் லேக்ஸ் டு கண்டக்ட். எஸ் எஸ் தே நாட் லேக்ஸடா தே லைக் தே ஸ்பெண்ட் ஐ திங்க் சிஆர்ஸ் க்ரோஸ் நாட் லேக்ஸ். ஸோ எகெயின் அவங்க கண்டக்ட் பண்ணணும்ல. அண்ட் யூ வில் கெட் மேம் கழிச்சோ ஸ்நாக்ஸ் ஐ ஹேட் சம் ஸ்நாக். ஓகே ஸோ இது ஒரு பாசிட்டிவாக எடுத்துக்கோங்க. ஓகே ஸோ டேக் இட் ஆஸ் அ பாசிட்டிவ் மைண்ட். ஓகே பாசிட்டிவ் மைண்டில் ஜஸ்ட் யோசிச்சு பாருங்க. ஓகே சில். ஓகே மேம் கழிச்சோ. ஓகே எஸ் ஐ வாண்ட் டுடா கழிச்சில்ல டின்னர் டைம் ஆகலை. ஓகே அட்டெண்டன்ஸ் ஷீட்டில் 2 நம்பர் மாற்றி போட்டுட்டேன். அதுதான். ஸோ நார்மலி எடா உங்களுக்கு டென்ஷன் இருக்கும்ல. எஸ் அட்டெண்டன்ஸ் ஷீட்டில் 2 நம்பர் மாற்றி போட்டுட்டேன். எஸ் டெஃபினெட்லி இந்த மாதிரி மிஸ்டேக்ஸ். ஓகே ஸோ ஐ திங்க் ஐ டிட் சம் மிஸ்டேக்ஸ். ஓகே ஐ டோன்ட் ரிமெம்பர். ஐ டிட் சம் மிஸ்டேக்ஸ் பிகாஸ் அந்த நம்பரில் பபிள் பண்ணணும்ல, ரெஜிஸ்ட்ரேஷன் நம்பர் பபிள் பண்ணணும்ல. ஸோ அதில் ஏதோ ஒரு மிஸ்டேக் பண்ணிட்டேன். எனக்கு என்ன பண்ணணும்னு தெரியாது, எப்படி பண்ணணும்னு தெரியாது, எனக்கு ஒரு ஐடியா இல்லை. ஓகே எப்படி நான் ஓஎம்ஆர் ஷீட் ஃபில் பண்ணணும்னு தெரியாது. நான் லைக் 12th முடிச்சு அப்படியே ஜஸ்ட்டு போய் நீட் எழுதும்போது, நீட்டெல்லாம் அன்னைக்கு ஏஐபிஎம்டி தான். ஸோ ஏஐபிஎம்டி எக்ஸாம் எழுதும்போது ஐ டூ ரிமெம்பர் தட் டே. ஸோ ஏதோ ஒரு மிஸ்டேக் பண்ணிட்டேன். அந்த ரெஜிஸ்டர் நம்பர் பபிள் பண்ணுறதுல எனக்கு தெரியாது. நான் எப்படி பண்ணிட்டேன்னா ஐ திங்க் நான் லைக் சேம் லைனில் ஏதோ பண்ணிட்டேன், சேம் லைனில் ஏதோ மார்க் பண்ணிட்டேன். ஸோ அதுக்கப்புறம் அவங்க வந்து சொல்லி எனக்கு ஏதோ சொல்லி அப்படி இப்படி ஏதோ ஆயிடுச்சு. ஸோ ஸோ நவ் யூ நோ. ஓகே ஸோ நவ் யூ நோ ப்ராப்பர் ஐடியா. உங்களுக்கு ப்ராப்பர் ஐடியா இருக்கும். எஸ் டீச்சர் இப்போ வரும், இந்த டைமில் வரும். ஸோ சைன் பண்ணணும், 10 செகண்டில் மேக்ஸிமம் சைன் பண்ணணும். ஸோ அவ்வளோதான். ஓகே ஸோ நீங்கள் கொஞ்சம் ஹாப்பியாக இருங்க, நீங்கள் நார்மலாக இருங்க. ஸோ லைக் அவ்வளோ ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் எடுக்க வேண்டாம். ஓகே நவ்யா. எஸ் ஸோ யா நான் அந்த மாதிரி பிரச்சனை எல்லாம் பண்ணுவேன். லைக் ஏதாச்சும் எனக்கு இந்த டைமில் ஆக்சுவலி எனக்கு எக்ஸாம் வரும்போது பேனிக் ஆகிடும்னா ரொம்ப பேனிக் ஆகிடும். லைக் வைவா எக்ஸாம் எல்லாம் வரும்போது ஓ மை காட் எனக்கு தெரியவே தெரியாது. ஸோ வைவா எல்லாம் இருக்கும்போது நான் இப்போ ஸ்டில் ஐ டோன்ட் நோ எதனால எனக்கு இவ்வளோ வைவா எக்ஸாமில் பயம்னு எனக்கு ஒன்றும் சொல்ல முடியாது. ஸோ ஒன் டைம் ஓகே எனக்கு வைவா எக்ஸாம் இருக்கும்போது நான் அங்கேருந்து ஷிவர் பண்ணுறேன். ஓகே ஐ எம் ஷிவரிங். ஓகே அண்ட் ஸோ வைவா அந்த எக்ஸ்டர்னலுக்கு ஆக்சுவலி ஜூஸ் எல்லாம் கொண்டு வந்து கொடுத்துருக்கு. ஆஃப்டர் தட் அந்த எக்ஸாமினர் என்கிட்ட சொன்னேன், அஸ்வதி நீ ஃபெயில் ஆக்க மாட்டேன், நாங்கள் ஃபெயில் பண்ண மாட்டேன், டோன்ட் வரி, பேனிக்காக வேண்டாம். சார் சார் எனக்கு பயமாக இருக்குது அதனால. ஸோ நான் ரொம்ப பேனிக் ஆகிடும். ஓகே ரொம்ப பேனிக் ஆகிடும். ஸோ எஸ்பெஷலி எக்ஸாம் டைம் எல்லாமே என்னை கண்ட்ரோல் பண்ண முடியாது, அவ்வளோ நான் பேனிக் ஆகிடும். அண்ட் ஆஃப்டர் அந்த எக்ஸ்டர்னல் சர்ஸ் வந்துட்டு என்னோட ஜூஸ் எடுத்து குடிச்சுக்கோ அப்படியெல்லாம் சொன்னேன். ஸோ எடா லைக் உங்களுக்கு இப்போ ப்ராப்பராக ஒரு ஐடியா இருக்கும்ல. எஸ் நீங்கள் என்னென்ன மிஸ்டேக் பண்ணியிருக்கு அண்ட் யூ காட் அ லைக் போனஸ் ஆல்சோ. ஓகே யூ காட் ஒன் போனஸ். do you know that bonus? So say ma'am me and you are same. Yeah I have same panic. இப்போ எனக்கு பேனிக் லைக் இந்த மாதிரி சிச்சுவேஷனில் சேம் அந்த மாதிரி பேனிக் ஆகிற ஒரு கேரக்டர் தான் எனக்கு. ரொம்ப பேனிக் ஆகிடும்னா ரொம்ப பேனிக் ஆகிடும். ஸோ எஸ் சேம் திங். ஸோ நவ் யூ நோ த ஐடியா இல்லை, ப்ராப்பராக உங்களுக்கு மேம் உங்கள் மேஜர் என்ன மேம்? என்னோட மேஜர் கெமிஸ்ட்ரியில் வைவா எப்பவும் வைவா இருக்கும்ல. ஒப்வியஸ்லி கெமிஸ்ட்ரினா லாட்ஸ் ஆஃப் லேப் எக்ஸாம் இருக்குது. ஸோ லாட்ஸ் ஆஃப் ரெக்கார்டு இருக்குது. டெஃபினெட்லி ஐ திங்க் ஆர்கானிக்கு ஒரு வைவா, இன்ஆர்கானிக் ஒரு வைவா, ஃபிசிக்கலுக்கு ஒரு வைவா. ஐயோ, லைக் லாட்ஸ் ஆஃப் வைவா இருந்தது. ஐ கெட் even I yes. So நான் ரொம்ப panic ஆயிடும். So now you have proper idea. Viva used to kill me. Yes, definitely. Same for me also. My major is chemistry. So chemistry la lots of lab exam இருக்கும். Lots of, and chemistry faculty I don't know. Chemistry faculty is ரொம்ப strict இருக்கும். Okay, not all faculties. Yeah. I'm not like that. So yes. லைக் என்ன நார்மலி ஃபேக்கல்ட்டிஸ் எல்லாம் ரொம்ப ஸ்ட்ரிக்டாக இருக்கும். ஓகே, ஸோ ஆக்சுவலி நான் படித்தது ஒரு உமன்ஸ் காலேஜில். ஓகே, ஸோ நான் படித்தது சேம் பெஞ்ச். எஸ், எக்ஸ்டர்னல் ஸ்கிப்ட். எஸ், வை ஸ்ரீமுக் external skipped me. Why? Because of your character, because of your swabhavam. You're sweet, ma'am. Yeah, but ஐயோ, எனக்கு இப்போ லைக் என்னோட எக்ஸாம்ஸ் எல்லாமே திங்க் பண்ணும்போது ஐயோ, நான் ரொம்ப எப்போ என்னோட எக்ஸாமுக்கு ஷிவர் பண்ணுவேன். ஐ டோன்ட் நோ வை ஐ ஆம் ஷிவரிங், பட் ஐ வில் டூ. ஐ டோன்ட் நோ. யா, okay, so I want to see everyone. I don't want to see this dumb students. okay, நீங்க யாரும் ஒன்னும் சொல்லவே இல்லை. நவ்யா மட்டும்தான் சாட் பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கு. எங்க போயிடுச்சு சிவா, ஹெப்சியாக்கா? they did ask me any question. I think they thought I was clever. Oh, I am here. Shiva, you are not saying anything. Why, Shiva? What happened? So I'm missing my college life a lot. I'm missing my college life. And guys, உங்களுக்கு இதுக்கு இப்போ உங்களோட இந்த ஒரு டைம் இருக்கும்ல, ஸோ இதுக்கப்புறம் உங்களுக்கு ஒரு காலேஜ் லைஃப் இருக்கும்ல. ஸோ ஆக்சுவலி உங்களோட காலேஜ் லைஃப் ஆக்சுவலி சூப்பராக இருக்கும். ஓகே, உங்களை ஸ்கூல் லைஃப் அண்ட் காலேஜ் லைஃப் நீங்கள் ஆக்சுவலி இப்போ ஸ்கூல் லைஃப்பில் தான் இருக்குது. ஸோ ஸ்கூல் லைஃப்க்கு அப்புறம் ஏதாச்சும் மெடிக்கல் காலேஜில் எல்லாம் போய் செட்டில் ஆகும்போது that லைஃப் இல்லை வேற லெவலாக இருக்கும். வேற லெவல். just college now, get a new degree. Oh, you're doing like Mukesh, what are you doing now? Get a new degree. I'm not getting. Okay, so next guys, we are moving to pi and sigma bond. Okay, pi and sigma bond. So when you consider, there is different type of overlapping. Okay, pi and yeah, yes, தரல. You are clever alle. Oh, Srimukh, இப்போ clear ஆயிடுச்சு Srimukh. Okay, so yes, so yeah, back to energy எல்லாம் முடிஞ்சிட்ட. Come on, back to our content, back to our class. So first is SP overlap. Okay, SP overlapல only one type overlap மட்டும்தான் இருக்கு. PP overlapல actually two different type of overlap is there. Okay, so SP overlapல one type of overlap மட்டும்தான் இருக்கு. PP overlapல different like two type of overlap இருக்கு. So when you consider SP overlap, it involve mutual overlap of half-filled s orbital of the one atom and with the half-filled orbital, okay, of p atom. So S-um P-um da, okay, S-um P-um da, this is the shape of P, okay, S-um P-um da என்ன overlap பண்ண போறேன். So இந்த P எப்படி இருக்கணும்? It should be half-filled and the S is also should be half-filled. Okay, so half-filled s orbital of one atom, ஒரு ஆட்டத்தோட half-filled s orbitalum another ஆட்டத்தோட half-filled p orbitalum overlap பண்ற. Okay, and here you can see the bond is formed is called and இங்க என்ன இருக்கும் Sம் Pயும் orbiter like என்ன good morning guys yeah very good morning ada so Sம் Pயும் overlap பண்ணா obviously what will form sp bond okay it is actually sp bond okay sp எப்படி overlap பண்ணும் இப்படி okay so it is sp bond okay sp bond you will get and next is actually ss overlap okay there's another overlap is actually ss overlap na ennada so it involve mutual overlap of half filled s okay half filled s ஒரு ஆட்டத்தோட half filled s and another ஆட்டத்தோட half filled s ரெண்டுமே mutually overlap பண்ண போறேன் okay so you will get ss overlap or ss bond okay ss overlap or ss bond okay ss overlap or ss bond I hope it's clear ss overlap or ss bond and next is pp overlap so when you consider pp overlap there is two different type of pp overlap okay there is two different type of pp overlap so p nu sonna idudhan p okay so p oda shape is actually dumbbell shape okay it is dumbbell shape so p ke eppadi overlap pannalam so we know that it involves the mutual overlap of half filled p and another half filled p okay two atoms oda two different atoms oda p orbitals overlap பண்ண போறேன் okay two different atoms oda p orbitals overlap பண்ண போறேன் so here you can see so one overlap இதுல head on overlap இருக்கு sideways overlap இருக்கு okay what is sideways overlap so I will show you what is sideways overlap so this is one p and another p எப்படி இருக்கும்டா this is another p okay this is sidewise overlap okay this is sidewise overlap and when you consider head on overlap what is head on overlap so head on overlap nu sonna this is one p and this is another p so this is head on overlap okay so partially filled on a 1p and another ஆட்டத்தோட partially filled ஆன another p overlap பண்ற this is actually head on overlap and it is sideways overlap and guys which one is more stronger head on overlap bond or sideways overlap bond which one is more stronger head on overlap bond or sideways overlap bond so tell me quickly hada tell me quickly sideways overlap bond head on overlap bond எது ஸ்ட்ராங்கா இருக்கும் which one is more stronger head on or sideways head on or sideways which one is more stronger so guys we know that head on overlap is actually here sigma bond okay it will form sigma bond no sideways overlap la you can see pi bond so we can say it is weak bond okay we can say it is weak bond okay weak bond okay you can say it is weak bond and head on overlap is a strong bond okay head on overlap will form strong bonds so I hope it's clear yes next we are moving to I will give you a question you can write the fluorine molecule is formed by which overlap so come on guys tell me the answer Navya Jahi head on overlap bond yes sideways not sideways ada fluorine molecule is formed it is AIPMT 2003 question okay it is AIPMT 2003 question Okay. So tell me what is the correct answer? So sideways, we know that அங்க என்ன form ஆகுது? We know that fluorine molecule sigma bond is there. Okay, sigma bond தான் இருக்கு. So sideways இல்ல. Okay, sideways இல்ல. And sp spu இல்ல. Okay. And the overlap we didn't know. So correct answer, what will be the correct answer? Axial pp overlap. Okay, axial pp overlap is the correct answer. Okay, axial pp overlap. And I will give you another question. I will give you another question. Come on. The number of sigma and pi bond in allyl isocyanide. Allyl isocyanide oda structure. Now only I just mentioned that sideways means what will form? Pi bond will form. Okay, pi bond will form. Okay, so we know that when you consider F2 molecule means F2 molecule a sigma bond is forming. Okay, ma'am, voice is low. Are you sure? Are you sure voice is low? No, ma'am, perfect. One, two, three, four. Okay. 2, 3, 4. Okay. So tell me what is the correct answer, Ada? 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 sigma 2 pi. 2 3 pi. 3 pi. So your correct answer is option 1. Option 1 is the correct answer. Yes. Option 1 is the correct answer. Which of the following statement is not correct for sigma and pi bond formed between two carbon atom? Sigma bond is stronger than pi bond. Not correct. Yes, it is isocyanide. This is AIPMT 2003 question. And I am writing just on the side la edhanalu in the side la edhanalu it's okay allada. You did some mistake. Okay. So can you tell me why it is wrong? Sigma bond. Okay, sigma bond is stronger than pi bond. Correct. And bond energy of sigma and pi bonds are for the order of 264 joule and 7. It is actually opposite. It is ulta. Okay, it is actually ulta. So bond energy of sigma and pi is actually 264 and sigma is actually 347. Okay, just avanga ultava koduthiruku. So this is wrong. Okay, this is wrong. So the correct answer is option 2. Okay, option 2 is the correct answer because that is wrong. Okay, that statement is wrong. Okay, then we can move to next question. hydrogen 4. Four, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Yeah. Is it clear now? Fine. Yeah, so tell me what will be the correct answer, Ada? What will be the correct answer? Everyone quickly smash the like button. Everyone quickly smash the like button. So, yeah, fine, ma'am. So, tell me what will be the correct answer? Tell me what will be the correct answer, Ada? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 4, 4, 4 pi. 4 pi. So, we can eliminate 1, 2. And 1, let me get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. 8. So correct answer is option 4. Option 4 is the correct answer. I'm only that is more. Yeah, I can understand. What happened to my student? I can't understand. Guys, what happened? Guys, what happened, guys? And when you consider, next we are moving to hybridization. So we know that how many hybridization is there? sp hybridization, sp2 hybridization, sp3 hybridization, sp3 dehybridization, sp3d2 hybridization, sp3d3 hybridization. Okay, so there are different hybridization. Okay, so when you consider triple bond and double bond, okay, so before that I just want to add one more point. So how we will calculate hybridization? Okay, how we will calculate hybridization? There is one rule to calculate hybridization. Okay, there is one equation to calculate hybridization. Okay, so number of hybridization equal to V plus X plus or minus charge divided by 2. What is V? V means number of valence electron. What is X? X means number of monovalent atoms surrounded by the central atom. Okay, so number of, I wasn't able to chat, now only it opened for me. Any issues, ma'am? No, Dakshin, நீ last bye சொல்லி போனதுதான். அதுக்கப்புறம் நீ இப்பதான் வந்திருக்க Dakshin. I can understand. Don't tell lies, okay? So, yes, V means that is valence electron, and what is X? X means number of monovalent atoms surrounded by the central atoms. Okay, central atomத்துக்கு என்ன எவ்வளோ monovalent or bonded pair, okay, bond pairs எவ்வளோ இருக்குன்னு பார்த்தாலும் போதும். I think you are telling lie. So நீ last bye சொல்லிட்டு தான் போனதுல. So yes, we can do some questions. NH3. So you can calculate the hybridization of NH3, and இங்கே யாரெல்லாம் இருக்கு? So H2O, NH4 plus. NH4 and H2O. H2O, NH4 plus. A network issue. Okay. Then tell me the hybridization of this NH3, H2O and NH4 plus. நீ already இங்க இருந்தது தானே? So tell me quickly the answer. sp3. So yes, we can check NH3. So எப்படி calculate பண்ணணும்டா? So we know that. Do you remember the equation? V plus X plus or minus charge by 2. Okay. So here I am using V plus X plus or minus charge by 2. So V means, what is V? V is actually valence electron. So tell me, what is the valence electron of nitrogen? Valence electron of nitrogen. Tell me, what is the valence electron of nitrogen? Okay, valence electron of nitrogen. Outermost shell 5 electrons are there. So valence electron is actually 5. So what is X? X, we know that nitrogen is bonded with 3 hydrogen atoms. So X is equal to 3. So 5 plus, so there is no charge, 5 plus X. X is equal to 3 divided by 2. So 5 plus 3, 8 divided 4. What is the value of 4? 4 is on enada. So I will show you. 4 enga poichu. Yeah. So 4 means it is sp3 hybridized. It is tetrahedral and the bond angle is 109 degree 28 minutes. Okay, 109 degree 28 minutes. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? Is it clear? So when you consider next molecule, what is next molecule? So H2O. Okay, H2O valence electron is actually 1 only. So here I am writing 1 and X is actually 2. So 1 plus 2 divided by 2. That is, you will get 1 plus 2, yes, divided by 2. You will get charge. Oxygen, we should consider oxygen. So oxygen oda valence electron evlo irukkuda? Oxygen oda, we know that total oxygen atomic number is actually 8. So outermost shell 6 electrons are there. 6 plus 2, 8. 6 plus 2, 8 by 2. 8 by 2, you will get 8 by 2, 4. Okay, 4 means it is also sp3. This is also sp3 hybridized. So when you consider NH4 plus, okay, they will ask hybridization. Okay, definitely they will ask hybridization. Yes. So here nitrogen is the central atom and you can write valence electron is actually 5 and hydrogen like X is equal to 4 and charge is there. It is minus 1. So if you are considering not minus 1, plus 1. So you can write V is 5, V plus 4 plus 1 divided by 2. So 5, 9, 5 you will get, am I right? 5. So 4, 5, 9 plus 5, yes, you will get 5. 5 means, what is the hybridization? 5 means the hybridization is sp3d. Okay, the hybridization is sp3d and the geometry is trigonal bipyramidal. Trigonal bipyramidal means we know the bond angle, that is 90 and 120 degree. Okay, 90 and 120 degree is the bond angle. I hope it's clear. I hope it's clear. So, when you consider d orbital, okay, d orbital hybridization, d orbital take part in hybridization or maybe d, okay, so dz square irukala, dz square or dx square y square, okay, dx square y square irukala. If it is dx square y square, okay, dx square y square, dz square participate pannitena, okay, dx square, so I am writing here, okay. Dx square y square and dz square participate pannitena. We can write sp3 d2. Okay, sp3 d2. Suppose in a sp3d means, okay, sp3d means only in a d square matunda participate pannu. Yes, d z square, x square alla z square, okay, dz square matunda participate pannu. Okay, I hope it's clear. I hope it's clear. Yes. So and next is triple bond, double bond, adoda hybridization. So I know உங்களுக்கு இது தெரியும்னு. So suppose triple bond, carbon triple bond carbon வந்துருச்சுன்னா that is actually sp hybridized. C double bond, C means that is sp 2 hybridized. C single bond, C means that is sp3 hybridized. And I want to write one more point. So here I will write C double bond vanda in the carbon consider pandrathu. Okay, in the carbon consider பண்ணும்போது it is actually sp2 hybridized, because we know that how many sigma bonds are there? How many sigma bonds are there? So we know that 2 pi bond is there. Here also 2 pi bond is there. Here also I'm not counting sigma bond. Okay, sigma bond illa pi bond. Pi bond mattum dhaan count pandrathu. So here also 1 pi bond is there. So when you consider here, only 1 sigma bond is there. I hope it's clear. I hope it's clear. If you want, I will give you some questions. If you want questions, I will give you some questions. Question Venumada. Question Venumada. Parthi. Prati. Yes. Prati. Future Medico. Yes. Hello da. Asat. Yes. So I will give you questions. Atomic molecules are formed by the overlap of, yes. Yes. So tell me, yes, Asat. Yes, Asat. Yeah. So now inge add pannitala. Oh shit. Now -1. Okay. So you will get, yes, you will get -1. You will get 5, 4, 9, 8. 8 to 4. 4. 4 means, yes, it is sp3. Guys, it is sp3. Okay. NH4 plus. Okay. Actually, inga plus varumbodhu you should do minus. Okay. Plus. Okay. Electron lose பண்ணதுனா you should minus. Okay, -1 தான் போடணும். Okay, நான் actually add பண்ணிட்டேன். So -1 தான் போடணும். Suppose இங்க minus வந்துட்டேனா you should add plus. Okay, you should do plus. Okay, plus பண்ணணும். Okay, yeah, I will give you questions. Yes, question. Yeah. Okay. Want questions? Okay, no worries, I will give you questions. Yeah. Prati. Yeah. So, covalent bond in polyatomic molecule are formed by the overlap of pure atomic orbital. No. Hybridized, yes. Hybrid orbital, yes. Because of hybrid orbital, and hybrid orbital with unhybrid orbital. Yes. Correct answer is yes. Option 4 is the correct answer. Okay. Both 2 and 3. Then I will give you another question. Next question. No, this is not same question. Okay, then I will give you another question. Central AlCl3. Okay. Hybridization state of central molecule AlCl3. Very easy question ada. SP. Nice ada, nice. So we already did a le. So AlCl3 la aluminium outermost shell la 3 electron and it's bonded with 3 electron and divided by 2. So 3 3 6 6 divided by 3 6 by 2 6 by 2 you will get 3. So 3 means that is sp2. Correct answer is option 3. sp2 is the correct answer. I asked AlCl3. Okay, I asked AlCl3, not Al2Cl6. Okay, I asked not dimer. I asked AlCl3, not Al2Cl6. Okay, that is dimer. Okay, that is different. Okay, this is AlCl3. Yeah, this is the correct answer. Ippada and the concept sonnadu. So, appave wrong answer. Yeah, another question. Hybridization of central atom AlCl3 is okay, the same question. Next. So yeah, you can do this as a homework. You can do this question as a homework. Okay, easy question now, and I will give you another question. Yeah, same question now. So adanala adu homework question. Yes. So tell me what will be the correct answer. Yes, correct. Correct answer is actually sp2 and sp2 and sp. Option 3 is the correct answer. Paakumbodhu first double bond la irundhu paakanum. So double bond, so first carbon, second carbon. So this is actually sp2 and this is third carbon, that is sp. So sp2 and sp. Yeah, correct answer. And guys, inga konja questions ellame irukku. You can do it as a homework. Okay. Next we are moving to molecular orbital theory. So guys, bond, double bond, see, yes. So we can do it together. Okay. So energy level diagram. So this is important. Yes, energy. Little low, ma'am. Yeah, I can understand. Yeah. Thank you, Navya. Asat, yes. So guys, இதுல நார்மலி நம்ம electrons, okay, ஒரு ஆட்டத்துல electrons arrange பண்ணும்ல, so அது மாதிரி ஒரு moleculeலயும் we can arrange electron, okay, ஒரு moleculeலயும் we can arrange electron. so அதுல நம்ம யூஸ் பண்றது actually two methods தான், okay, so up to nitrogen வரைக்கும் after nitrogen, okay, up to nitrogen varaikkum you can use this one, sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, pi 2pz, pi 2py, and sigma 2pz, sigma pi star 2px, pi star 2py, and sigma star 2pz, okay. so இதுதா up to nitrogen varaikkum we will follow this method, and after nitrogen, okay, oxygen la irundhu we will use this one. so you should by heart this, okay, you should by heart this order, okay, இந்த order நீங்க by heart பண்ணியே ஆகணும். so இந்த orderல ஒரு சின்ன difference மட்டும் தான் இருக்கு, okay, பாக்கி எல்லாமே same தான், sigma 1s, sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, sigma star 2s, after that pi 2px, pi 2py. so here you can see pi 2px, pi 2py க்கு முன்னாடி இங்க என்ன இருக்கு, sigma 2p set, okay, இங்க இதுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் sigma 2p set வருது, so here you can see sigma 2p set, and after that pi 2px, pi 2py, and அதுக்கு அப்புறம் யாரு வருதுடா, same sigma star 2p set, sigma star 2px, okay, so here also sigma star 2px, sigma star 2py, and after that back last two same da, so pi 2p, pi star 2px, pi star 2pz, okay, so inga difference irukkirathu, so I will underline with another color, okay. இதுல ரெண்டும் மட்டும் தான் சேஞ்ச் இருக்கு, ஓகே, so இது ரெண்டும் மட்டும் என்ன அங்க இங்க மாறுது, ஓகே, so just swap ஆகுது அவ்வளவுதான், okay, I hope it's clear. so I will give you a molecule, we can do a molecule. so O2 molecule, so O2 molecule ஓட arrangement எழுதுங்க, okay, so என்ன molecular orbital arrangement எழுதுங்க, molecular orbital arrangement, you can write the molecular arrangement of O2 molecule. How you will write it up? So yes, you can write sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star inga 2 irukku, okay, so we know that how we will calculate oxygen la, we know that 8 electrons are there, so O2 nu சொல்லும்போது we know that total 16 electrons are there, so அந்த 16 electrons ஐயும் நம்ம ப்ராப்பரா arrange பண்ணனும், sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, and after that sigma 2pz, pi 2px, pi 2py, 2 electrons here we can fill, here also we can fill 2 electron, 2 4 6 8 10 12 and 14. next இதுக்கு அப்புறம் யார் வருதுடா, it is actually yeah pi star star 2px 2py 1 electrons. Okay, so இப்படி தான் எழுதணும். இந்த question இப்படி வராது. They will ask bond order. Okay, what they will ask? They will ask bond order. How we will calculate bond order? So இங்க star இருக்குல்ல, so star இருக்கிறது தான் anti bonding orbital. So I am writing here star இருக்கிறது anti bonding orbital. Okay, anti bonding orbital, and without star bonding orbital. Okay, without star bonding orbital and with star anti-bonding orbital. How we will calculate bond order? Bond order is equal to half into NB minus NA. So what is NB and NA? Number of bonding molecular orbital. Number of bonding molecular orbital minus number of anti-bonding molecular orbital. So here we can calculate half NB. Okay, NB means 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can get 10 minus. So total evlo 16 electrons thana irukum. So 2, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6. So you will get 10 minus 4. You will get 4. 10 minus 6. You will get 4. 4 by 2. You will get 2. So bond order is actually 2 here. Okay, bond order. Okay, bond order increase agumbodhu stability will also increases. Okay, if bond order increases means stability will also increases. Okay, yeah, we can use keyboard star. So bond order increases means stability will also increases. So I hope it's clear. Edachu doubt iruka? I hope it's clear. Edachu doubt irukada? So da ungalku sharp இன்னைக்கு 8:30க்கு ஓகே உங்களுக்கு இன்னைக்கு 8:30க்கு ஒரு லைவ் இருக்கு. ஸோ எஸ் அஸ்வதி மேம் ஸ்காட் யா. ஸோ நவ்யா ஃபாத்திமா எல்லாரும் மறக்காம ஜாயின் பண்ணணும். இன்னைக்கு 8:30. ஓகே, ஸோ ஐ எம் ரைட்டிங் 30 ஒன்லி. 8:30க்கு ஒரு லைவ் இருக்கு. ஸோ எல்லாரும் ப்ராப்பராக ஜாயின் பண்ணணும். ஓகே ஓகே கைஸ், ஃபாத்திமா, ஜஹி, நவ்யா இன்னைக்கு 8:30க்கு ஒரு அர்ஜென்ட் என்ன இருக்கு, ஒரு லைவ் இருக்கு. ஸோ எல்லாரும் பிரவீன் எஸ் ஓகே மேம் ஷுர் நோ டவுட்ஸ். ஓகே எல்லாரும் ப்ராப்பராக 8:30க்கு ஜாயின் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, ஸோ ஒரு லைவ் இருக்கு. ஸோ ஐ வில் செக். அப்போ ஐ வில் செக் அட்டண்டன்ஸ். ஓகே ஜஹி, ஐ வில் செக் த அட்டண்டன்ஸ் அந்த டைமில். ஓகே, ஸோ டன் மேம், வில் ஜாயின். ஓகே ஸோ 8:30க்கு ஷார்ப்பாக ஜாயின் பண்ணணும். ஐ கான் சி Shiva and everyone. Magnetic behavior. Then next is actually magnetic behavior. So Praveen, okay, I will check. Okay, அந்த டைம்ல நான் செக் பண்ணும். பிரவீன் இருக்கா, ஃபாத்திமா இருக்கா, ஜெய்சங்கர் இருக்கா, அண்ட் ஜஹி இருக்கா, நவ்யா இருக்கா. ஓகே, நான் நோட் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கேன் ஆல்ரெடி. ஸோ அந்த டைம்ல ஷார்ப்பாக ஜாயின் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, 8:30 மறக்க வேண்டாம். நேஹா. Okay, so next is actually magnetic property. What is magnetic property? They will ask magnetic property also. So how we will check magnetic property? Magnetic property na paramagnetic irukku, diamagnetic irukku. So the class will over within 10 minutes ada. Okay, so yes, magnetic properties check பண்ணும்போது paramagnetic irukku, diamagnetic irukku. Okay, so what is paramagnetic and what is diamagnetic na? So paramagnetic means we know that unpaired electron should be there. Okay, paramagnetic means unpaired electron should be there. Okay, unpaired electron should be there. Okay, what is diamagnetic means எல்லாமே paired electrons ஆ இருக்கணும். yes நவ்யா, இங்கேயும் லைக் சின்னதா மழை இருக்கு. It's raining, yeah, Bangalore is raining, not heavy rain. Then also yes, paramagnetic paired electron, no, unpaired electron. Diamagnetic paired electron. Okay, so paramagnetic means unpaired electron should be there. Okay, and Diamagnetic means paired, okay, no unpaired electron. Yes, that is diamagnetic, okay. I hope it's clear. So in the question, okay, in the madri question varradhukku chances irukku. And here you can see bond order directly proportional to stability, bond energy, and inversely proportional to bond length. So they will ask, okay, maybe they will give you some molecule and they will ask bond length, bond energy, or stability. Okay, maybe they will ask write the increasing order or decreasing order of stability, bond length, or bond energy using bond order. Okay, so you should calculate using bond order. And students inge irukra normally ungalku in the actually in the 2 box, okay, so idu by heart panna mattum podum. So ungalku okay, so enna number of electron 2 agumbodhu bond order is actually 1, number of electron 3 agumbodhu bond order is actually 0.2, okay, 0.5, not 2, 5, okay. And if it is 4 it is 0, if it is 5 it is 0.5, it is 6 1. So idu and magnetic behavior important da. And there is one exception. So ella even number varumbodum we know that, okay, even number complete even number varumbodhu obviously it is diamagnetic. When you consider 2 is diamagnetic, 4 is diamagnetic, 6 is diamagnetic, 8 is diamagnetic. When you consider 10 வரும்போது it is paramagnetic. This is one exception, okay. So normally எல்லாரும் நினைக்கும் yes ma'am even number வரும்போது எப்பவுமே magnetic, okay, diamagnetic இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கும். But there is one exception, 10 and 16 வரும்போது, okay, 10 and 16 ல one exception இருக்கு, okay. 16 லயும் it is paramagnetic. Other than all even numbers என்ன diamagnetic தான். Other than 16 and 10 பாக்கி எல்லா even numbersம் diamagnetic தான். So I hope it's clear. So இதுதான் இதில் இம்பார்ட்டண்ட்டாக இருக்கு. And we can do maximum questions, okay. We can do maximum questions. Question பண்ணும்போது we can revise the content again, okay. We can revise the content again, okay. Now இப்போ நவ்யா எல்லா டாபிக்கும் ரிவைஸ் பண்ணணுமா? இப்போ நவ்யா எல்லா டாபிக்கும் ரிவைஸ் பண்ணணுமா? இல்லைனா எகெயின் நம்ம கொஸ்டின் பண்ணும்போது நம்ம ரிவைஸ் பண்ணுவோம், அப்போ பண்ணா போதுமா? ஓகே, அப்போ பண்ணா போதுமா இல்லைனா இப்போ பண்ணணுமா? Yes, 10 and 16 is exception. So now I will finish. So again in the chapter ஓட என்ன questions இருக்கும், questions பண்ணுனாமா. So அப்போ we can do the concept also, okay. Question versus can revise concept. Yes, question பண்ணும்போது we can revise the concept, okay. So I hope இது வரைக்கும் clearனு நினைக்கிறேன், okay. I hope இது வரைக்கும் clearனு நினைக்கிறேன். ஏதாச்சும் டவுட் இருந்தா கேளுங்க, I will clear, okay. I will clear it. After questions, okay. So we can do, okay. So okay, bye bye guys. So உங்களுக்கு sharp 8:30 க்கு, okay, 8:30 க்கு உங்களுக்கு ஒரு லைவ் இருக்கு. ஸோ எல்லாரும் மறக்காம ஜாயின் பண்ணணும், ஓகே. பக்கா கிளியர், ஓகே. ஜஹி, நவ்யா, பிரவீன், ஐ வில் செக் அட்டண்டன்ஸ், ஓகே. ஃபாத்திமா, ஸோ 8:30க்கு உங்களுக்கு ஒரு லைவ் இருக்கு. ஸோ எல்லாரும் கரெக்டாக ஜாயின் பண்ணுங்க. 10 minutes லாஸ்ட். எஸ், just do 10 minutes, okay. ஓகேடா. ஸோ this is the thing, okay. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இது and bond order வச்சுட்டு maybe they will ask stability question or bond energy question or bond length question. Bond order is directly proportional to stability and directly proportional to bond energy and inversely proportional to bond length, okay. Okay, so next இதுதான் order. So இதுதான் order and there is bond order equation, okay. Bond order is equal to half into NB minus NA. And paramagnetic and diamagnetic, paramagnetic means unpaired electrons இருக்கணும் and diamagnetic means எல்லாமே paired இருக்கும். And so I will do this in, I think I will do this in another day, okay. So I hope it's clear. நவ்யா எல்லாரும் போயாச்சு, okay. So sharp 8:30க்கு பார்க்கலாம். ஓகே, பை பை கைஸ்.